Alright guys, it's finally back. I don't know why. For some reason, this whole thing glitched out. OBS glitched out. But thank God we are finally back here, ready to show you guys some crazy news about the SEC versus Ripple case. This is a case that everybody is trying to watch out for. This is the case that doesn't just impact XRP price, it impacts the entire cryptocurrency industry, market, whatever you want to call it. And this is why it is very closely watched. This live stream, in terms of what you guys are watching right now, is going to go ahead, show you guys what goes on in the discovery hearing, let you guys know what happens, and then obviously you guys can decide whether to buy in on the dip or ditch the dip and obviously, sell. Now, I do believe that there is very limited spots inside the actual telephone conference, and so there isn't going to be enough seats for everybody. Previously, I think it was 4,000 seats, and I gotta tell you guys, it filled up almost instantly. I was able to very quickly, sneak in a spot here, and obviously I did have the ability to go in, and thus I was able to go ahead, let you guys know what is going on via Twitter. So make sure you guys do follow my Twitter, link is down below. But guys, it is going to be a very... Okay guys, it's finally back. I don't even know anymore. If this all were to go positive, then I do believe we will see a very good price reflection from XRP, in which we might even see it rebound back to the $1.50 mark and go all the way from there. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're looking for financial advice, go ahead, check your nearest, accountant. If you're looking for legal advice, check your nearest lawyer. It should be working now forever. Back again, yeah, I know. It should be working now though for good. This is I think the end of our problems. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and obviously check out the Twitter, link is down below. Today is going to be really exciting. It's 2 p.m. is going to be the golden time for us. We are trying to go ahead, get you guys in on the interview, let you guys obviously summarize to you guys what is going on, what is going to be happening. Is it going to be positive for XRP Ripple, or is it going to be positive for the SEC? If the judges to go ahead and side with Ripple, then you guys will go ahead and be able to see that, we won that discovery hearing, and at the same time that we should see a reflection in the price increase in terms of XRP regain some value and, push up. And that could be actually its breaking point where, we get that push, then we see a breaking point, and this is where we see the price skyrocket back to, some people say $2. Now, we never know where it's going to go. This is all, again, based on speculation and theory. The graph says we should see a breakthrough very soon. Now, when is unknown at this time exactly. But yeah, guys, again, we do have only, I think, an hour and 20 minutes left for this live stream. This is going to be the phone number, so I'm going to go ahead and probably jump in later on. It won't even open until very later on. But the actual court hearing is supposed to discuss the motion to compel, and this is going to be the turnover of documents regarding legal advice that Ripple received about whether sales or offer of XRP were securities. So in short, guys, this is going to really discuss if the sales that Ripple sold, so Ripple sold XRP, if those sales should be classified as a security. Now, if the judge says no, then those sales are not going to be classified as security, and that would be very positive for, or they'd get the documents. Not really, they can't even classify it as a security. They just get the documents. If Ripple loses, the SEC would get the documents, and then obviously then they would try and use that as an argument with Ripple. Now, I suspect there could be possible settlement. And then I suspect there could be a possible settlement. And so I believe that once we go ahead and see that they get these documents on the settlement table, they go ahead and discuss a settlement with Ripple, they'll go ahead and try to use these documents as an arguing point, right? As a point where they say, you know what, Ripple, we have some documents, you have some documents, let's agree on something. and obviously they will try to get as much fees probably, or as much as whatever they want as they can, using that argument point of we have some documents as well. Hi guys, how's it going? It's Red Day again. Make sure, by the way, you guys like the channel. It definitely helps me out. And if you aren't a subscriber, make sure you guys do subscribe, because I post XRP content almost on a daily basis. And trust me, the XRP content that I put up is one that nobody has ever, done before, because I get you guys the latest and most updated XRP news. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join the Patreon, feel free to join so as well. And obviously follow the Twitter page. Hope it ends soon and we can see some green colors. Yeah, I truly believe, again, if we go in positive, we'll start to see a rebound. But I think we will want all the whole XRP market, the whole XRP holders, XRP army, wants a settlement, guys. We want, some type of winning case. Once that happens, we will be able to see the price of XRP skyrocket. That's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the real skyrocket price. Also, guys, if you aren't liking the stream, go ahead and like the stream. We have over 30 plus people in the live stream and only 7 likes. Let's try and get that to 20. So if you aren't going ahead, guys, and liking the stream, do so right now. Are you listening in to the call? Yeah, I'm going to be in the call, guys, and you guys are going to be able to hear updates as they go. You're going to hear live updates as they speak, and I'll obviously go ahead and let you guys know, for example, right now in this case, the lawyer of Ripple speaking, or the SEC lawyer. Hey man, are you seeing the live SEC case? Yes, we're going to be seeing it. We're going to be discussing it. We're going to be summarizing it for you guys. It is going to be a very fantastic day, guys. Yeah, it's going to be in the whole SEC lawsuit case is about in an hour and I think 20 minutes. So not too long ago. Let's see what Jeremy Hogan has to say. He's actually known as one of the legal, he's not really part of the Ripple team, but he does a lot of legal talking in terms of the XRP versus lawsuit case. So he says, the SEC versus Ripple hearing, let the judge know that there is, and will be much public interest in this case, not only because it affects XRP, but because it affects the entire cryptocurrency market, guys. So again, you're doing your job by going into the live stream and trying your best. Obviously, hit that live stream, hit that like button so that we can obviously let everybody know about this XRP case. Because at the end of the day, XRP versus SEC is not just an XRP Ripple case. It is not. I think that's what people think it is, but in reality it is not. It is for the entire cryptocurrency market. If XRP is declared a security, you will see many of the other cryptocurrencies declared as security. Like, we're talking about over half, probably 80 or 90% of the cryptocurrency market will get declared as security if XRP is declared as security. So this is why when we talk about XRP, was the case not postponed again? No, it wasn't. By what I know, the XRP versus Ripple case is the SEC discovery hearing with the XRP is going to be today at 2 p.m. But let's go back into our main topic. XRP versus Ripple case, or XRP versus SEC case, if XRP is declared security, over 80 to 90% of the actual the cryptocurrencies right now live are going to be declared security. So it will literally destroy the entire cryptocurrency market. You'll see only one or two. We might literally just see Bitcoin and Ethereum. But this is why we're saying XRP is not going to get declared security, guys. We're going to say XRP is not going to be declared security. This is exactly why. I'll tell you guys why. Because there are so many things that show that XRP is about to go ahead and beat the lawsuit. And again, we can clearly see that XRP had achieved so much with its utility, right? In this case, there's no way you can actually be security if you have utility. And this is what XRP is arguing. Guys, alright, I'm going to take a quick pause here. If you haven't liked the live stream, hit that like button. Over 80 people are in the live stream and only 11 likes, guys. Let's go ahead and show the entire cryptocurrency market. Let's show all the Bitcoiners, let's show all the Ethereum army that we are the strongest army by going ahead, liking the live stream right now. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe for the daily, content on XRP. And make sure, obviously, you go ahead and follow me on Twitter. But like the live stream, guys. Let's get 50 likes. Let's try your best, guys. Do your part. Like the live stream. Let's go to 50 likes. Alright, guys. Back on to our chat right here. where we discuss the XRP versus SEC Ripple hearing. You know what? I'm going to go over a few of these documents right here because I believe it's very important as well. So many people have, I don't even know if I can find it right here, but so many people, let's go back onto, I have an idea here. So many people have talked and discussed about, taxes. Oh my God, XRP, there's taxes. The whole cryptocurrency market's going to crash. America wants to put taxes. Oh my God. Why are people panicking like this? Isn't that something positive? Doesn't that mean that people in the cryptocurrency is going to go mainstream? Right? Like, thank you so much. After how many hours will we get the final news? So the discovery hearing is going to be in about an hour and 10 or 20 minutes now. But yeah, I'll let you guys know shortly when we believe, if there isn't a settlement, when we believe that the SEC lawsuit is going to get completed. But so many people are complaining about taxes. Are taxes really that bad? Are taxes really that bad is my question. Doesn't that mean that XRP and on all the cryptocurrencies are going to go mainstream? Because if we were to try and discuss here, why would the United States and in fact all the other countries put taxes on the cryptocurrency market? Doesn't that mean they're going to accept it? Doesn't that mean they're trying their best to regulate it because they want to keep it forever? Because if they didn't want to keep it forever, they would just do like what China did, right? Say, okay, no more cryptocurrencies for anybody. Or what Turkey did. Okay, no more cryptocurrencies. Nobody's allowed to sell. Nobody's allowed to buy. Or they wouldn't even say that. What they would say is nobody's allowed to buy anything with cryptocurrency. But they're not. But look at the United States. It's literally not. They're saying you can buy whatever you want. We're just going to put taxes. So that definitely means that they're trying to go mainstream. That the United States is accepting cryptocurrencies now. That they're going to accept it. They're going to take it mainstream. It's going to be like any other ordinary cryptocurrency or any other ordinary currency. See, this is why whenever I see news that goes ahead and talks about, taxes on cryptocurrency, I don't even feel sad. I actually get kind of happy because that means that, the United States is going to officially accept cryptocurrency as a form of currency. That way, okay, yeah, I have to pay taxes like if I were to own any currency. Literally any currency. If I were to work, I have to pay tax on my check. And in return, I get the pay that's left. So this is going to be considered a currency. So take it that way, guys. If you ever see somebody say taxes, okay, yeah, I don't like to pay taxes. It's the same idea. Like, it's like I'm getting paid a check, right? And there's taxes deducted. Yeah, I don't like that taxes are deducted. But again, this means that cryptocurrency is about to become a real currency and it's about to go mainstream. And we can actually see, cryptocurrency be the next big thing. Take over, maybe even some currencies that are fiat. So let's read some of your thoughts here. It says, after how many hours will we get the final news? So in about an hour and 10 minutes or so, we are going to see the SEC vs. Ripple discovery hearing. And again, I'll just quickly go over this. This is going to be on the motion to compel the turnover of documents regarding legal advice Ripple received about whether sales or offers of XRP were securities. Now, if we don't see a settlement, which I believe there will be a settlement, not in today's discovery hearing, but we'll see something happen in the next few weeks. I believe that. But if there isn't, what we will see is the lawsuit will continue ongoing until probably September. And in September, we will probably see the results. So, even September, if we were to discuss this, if we get a win, imagine a settlement now, that would be like just crazy. That'd be absolutely amazing. But if we see like the XRP win the lawsuit in September, that's amazing as well. Imagine, we start to see XRP hit $10. Some people even say $20. So, no matter when, September or now, it doesn't really matter, because half of anybody that owns XRP is going to make crazy money. So it says, I'm debating selling my XRP. Nothing to do with the crash, just don't know if I like the project anymore. I truly believe they have a crazy project. To be able to transfer money through fiats and transfer it to a totally different country in less than 3 seconds is something I'm interested in. And they were doing very well. Imagine all the banks, so many banks accepted them. This proves that they are good. Not only that, currently they are already being used as bridge currencies in places outside of the United States. There was a European country that they were using it in. I don't remember which one. But recently, Egypt started to accept it. They're doing a crossover. They're using it as a cross-border payment method with Egypt and the United Arab Emirates. So clearly, countries are liking it. Countries are using it. The only thing here is now we are just looking at the United States, right? We're looking at them. We're waiting for it. And again, if we don't get the United States, that doesn't mean anything. That still means XRP is going to boom without it. But it will just be an amazing addition. It will open up a brand new market if we do get the United States. And this is what the SEC versus Ripple case is all about. We need Brad Pitt to tweet on XRP. Well, he tweets on it. He speaks about it almost on a daily basis. Almost. I have 1,100 XRP. We need China to dig on XRP. Well, XRP is already booming with or without any other country. So I got 630 XRP. Well, some is better than nothing. We need many things to get the whole market up. It takes time, I think. So there's a few things. XRP doesn't need the whole cryptocurrency market, right? XRP is on its own. XRP is only now linked to Bitcoin. Once we get the settlement, it's done. It's going to de-link itself from Bitcoin. It's going to boom. And even if the whole cryptocurrency market crashes, it's going to still do good. Alright guys, just a quick pause here. If you guys want to go ahead, smash that like button. Over 110 people, guys. That's crazy. And only 20 likes. So do your part. Like the stream so we can let everybody else know. People that are not in cryptocurrency know that cryptocurrency is going to be the next big thing. I want everybody right now, go ahead, like the live stream, do your part, and then go ahead and, comment liked in the comment section. Comment liked in the comment section. Like the stream. Comment liked in the comment section. And then go ahead and, subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. Comment your thoughts in the comment section. And feel free to follow me on Twitter and join my Patreon if you're interested. But back onto our topic here, guys. America will come in the summer. Well, it really depends. America could be now. Like, we could just see the lawsuit, in the next 2 weeks and see, do good. And that's it. We see that's where the train leaves for XRP, and we see XRP hit all the way to $10, $20. Many Middle Eastern banks, except XRP. Yeah, that's true. That's actually very true. And we're even seeing more and more banks, central banks, accept XRP as a form of bridge currency, which just shows us that XRP is on its way, guys. Very shortly, the train is going to leave. Very shortly, we're going to see, XRP hit those huge milestones, these huge numbers, and it's not going to come back. The same way XRP hit $1, it was at 50 cents or so. It hit $1. It was at 14 cents if we want to talk all the way back there. It was at 14 cents. Now it's at $1. It will never, ever, ever go back to 15 cents or even 50 cents. It will never go back to that. Now, imagine it goes to $10. It will never, in its history, go back to $1. That's something that won't ever happen. That's something that's known that won't ever happen. That's why they say you buy in on the train before it leaves. You get your ticket, guys, and let it dip. Liked. Thank you so much. Again, hit that like button and subscribe if you aren't. I heard the Sunshine Act closed door meeting gets pushed to be the 27th. Was supposed to be today. There's a closed door meeting. I don't know. I didn't check any updates. I know that there was last meeting on, I think it was the 13th. That's when it was, I'm pretty sure. They did have a closed door meeting where they discussed internally whether settlements would be a good option or, negotiate. There was a lot of things that they were going to discuss. Do you think that there are good news and it will affect the price even if Bitcoin is down? Yeah, this is actually something that's 100%. If we see a settlement, guys, between the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP will boom without Bitcoin and without the entire cryptocurrency to be, more in depth. If the whole cryptocurrency crashes, I believe there will be little impact on XRP. Again, this is my own opinion. This is not financial advice, nor is it legal advice. Do you think if XRP goes up, it will help the market go up? Yeah, for sure. I believe so. I believe that, XRP is going to carry the market very soon. I also believe that, in the future, we will see it. XRP take over and be the number one cryptocurrency. Now, whether that's in a year, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it will one day outbeat all of them and be the number one cryptocurrency. Now, there is a video I want to quickly show you guys. So I'm going to jump on my Twitter here. If you guys aren't following my Twitter right here, it's Crypto Geek News, also linked in the description. We did get a nice tag here. So this is something that I really want to talk to you guys about, and I want to show you guys it. This is Rosie Rios. This is the former U.S. Treasury of the United States of America. And she just recently joined the team. She just recently joined the board of directors for Ripple. Imagine a company that's getting sued and is about to lose a lawsuit, and you get the U.S. former Treasury to join the board of directors. Doesn't make sense. It shows, guys, on its own that, there is a huge chance there's going to be some type of settlement or that they're going to win. Now, let's have a quick watch this video. It's very important, guys. I'm going to higher up the volume. Listen to what she has to say about XRP and Ripple. This is huge news, guys. Let me know if you guys can hear this, by the way. Let me just quickly do this.
What do you think about cryptocurrency as a form of currency?
Well, I think the train's already left the station in terms of cryptocurrency. You may or may not know that I just joined the board of Ripple, and the reason why I chose to join that board, it's, in my opinion, one of the few cryptocurrency options out there that has a credible and legitimate use. So financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments.
What do you think about cryptocurrency as a form of currency?
Well, I think the train's already left the station in terms of cryptocurrency. You may or may not know that I just joined the board of Ripple, and the reason why I chose to join that board, it's, in my opinion, one of the few cryptocurrency options out there that has a credible and legitimate use. So financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments.
What do you think about...
Wow, wow, wow. She just proved a few things here. Number one, XRP has utility. Isn't that what the whole SEC for Ripple case is about? They're saying the SEC saying XRP is security because it doesn't have utility. And then she just proved it right away. She literally said it at the end here, and I'll just go back to where she said it. Look what she says.
In my opinion, one of the few cryptocurrency options out there that has a credible and legitimate use. So financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments.
Financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments. And in return, XRP gets a fee. The bank pays a fee. That's utility, guys. And in exchange, you now can buy things using XRP. This is huge. And she also added on top of that, if you guys heard the whole thing, she added on top of that XRP, the train has left. The train has already left the station. So if you don't get into XRP, is what she said. It's not me. I'm not giving you no financial advice, guys. What she said is that the train left. Already left. So if you're not on XRP, then you're missing out. So again, this is huge. And this is the former U.S. Treasury, guys. She signed the $100 note. She signed the $100 note. If she doesn't know anything about cryptocurrencies, you don't know what you're talking about. She knows so much about currencies, more than anybody could. And she's joining the Ripple team. It definitely proves. And you know what? She says here that this is a project that she really likes because of its utility, because of its great way of solving a major issue. Yeah, the SEC vs. Ripple case will start now, guys, in about an hour, 60 minutes. Hearing delayed until next Thursday again. Starts in about 80 minutes. But why? So LW here. I'm reading all over the place, and it looks like it's going to be functioning as normal. The 2 p.m. hearing is still there. There's still 2 p.m. hearing like normal. We see even Jeremy speaking about it. Jeremy says, here's my calendar for today. Drafting plea this morning. A couple phone calls to rule the world. And then the 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, SEC vs. Ripple hearing. So, again, it looks like everything is functioning as normal. Thank goodness. Today is a huge day. If we see XRP and Ripple win this lawsuit or win this discovery hearing, I believe that the price will reflect that. And in this one specifically. And especially in a market that's this volatile right now where it's down, we don't need much to actually boost the price of XRP back up. And I think this will do the job for us. Current price of XRP, $1.02. Again, $1.02. I believe we're going to go ahead and push back up. Maybe reach that 130, 150 number. But guys, go ahead and like the stream. Oh my god, nice. 150 viewers, guys, and only 45 likes. So let's go ahead. Let's like the video. Let's subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. And follow me on Twitter, guys, where I put the latest and most trending crypto news. Again, guys, like the stream right now so we can show everybody that cryptocurrency is the next up and coming thing, guys. We want to prove to everybody that cryptocurrency is going to be a real currency. And we're going to prove to everybody that the SEC versus Ripple case is going to be one which is in favor of Ripple. So do that by liking the live stream, guys. It will definitely help me out. It will definitely help, everybody that invests in XRP out, holds XRP. And we'll get the news out to people that, XRP is a real thing. XRP is going to be the next cross-border method of payment. Can we hear the audio of Discovery hearing? No. So basically, they have very strict ruling. You are not allowed to rebroadcast, record, do anything like that in terms of the hearing. But what I can do is I can hear it and summarize it to you guys. And that way you guys will know right when the hearing is. So I'll let you guys know. As soon as they speak, I'll let you guys know what's going on. I'll tell you, for example, okay, so right now they just spoke about blah, 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 blah. And the lawyer said this, and then that said this. So, before everything, is it next Thursday? So, the discovery hearing is not next Thursday. It's today, at 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is not delayed. It is not delayed. By what I know, up until this time, it is not delayed. We have Jeremy Hogans. He right now just spoke about it and said it's not delayed. It's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that he's going to be jumping in on the live stream as well. Was it postponed? What is postponed is the Sunshine meeting. The hearing is still up. That's correct. That is right, guys. So I believe that they're trying to get this discovery hearing for a few reasons. Now, if you guys have heard my videos, I believe there's going to be a settlement. Now, when I specified that it might be in the next 2-3 weeks, I don't know though. So I'm judging based on what comes out. But I believe there's going to be a settlement in 2-3 weeks. Now, what I believe this whole discovery hearing is, and this is why people are like, oh, why is there a discovery hearing, right, if there's going to settle? I believe they're going to try and use this as a method of argument. So they're going to say, for example, XRP, we have these documents. If they win, obviously. XRP, we have these documents. When they sit on the table, they're going to tell them, okay, so we want these fees. And look, we have these documents. Yeah, you have some documents as well, but we also have some documents. So I believe it's going to be a method of, arguing. They actually have a chance. If now they don't win this, right, then they're already on their own gonna know that there is no chance. The XRP is gonna win the lawsuit, and they'll just settle. And we don't want to put any offers. They'll just settle for the reputation, which is again gonna be huge for XRP, guys. If you aren't liking the stream, make sure you guys go ahead and like the stream, subscribe to my channel, guys, obviously, and follow me on Twitter where I post daily news. Obviously, if you are interested, join my Patreon because I always post an exclusive one video a week every Friday. So that's only going to be for the Patreons. I want to swap my BNB right now, but I won't yet. So right now, this is actually a very good thing you just reminded me. So right now, Coinbase, Binance US, any exchanges in the US is not allowed to trade XRP. Is not allowed is what I'm talking about. You cannot. It got delisted. What happens when the SEC versus Ripple case is over? They all come back. Just think about this, guys. And this is why some predictions that are like high, for example, that say, XRP is going to reach $50, XRP is going to reach $80. I actually kind of understand their point. Because let's have a look at this, okay? SEC versus Ripple wins the lawsuit. Number one, you get the news. So that's going to impact the price. Which I believe some people said 10, 12, whatever, $10 to $20. Let's just go 15 in the middle. Now you get all of the extra Ripple contracts come back. Because right now, all of their contracts are on, or majority of their contracts are on hold. So the money that they're getting is very small compared to what they used to do when they weren't sued. So you add on top of that. So now that brings it maybe to $20 or $25. On top of that, now you get exchanges that list them. People are going to buy. You go on top of that, you're going to add, now we're at 25. Let's say we go to 35, or 30, okay? Let's even go to 30, okay? Now we add on top of that, they start to get used by central banks. Like they're already in multiple central banks, but we're talking about more central banks and more ordinary banks. That should at least raise it up $10, $40 right there. But that's what I'm talking about. So there's a chance. Obviously, this is not guaranteed, so obviously there's a chance for everything. This is all theoretical and predictions. But that's why sometimes when people say $50, I'm like, okay, it's possible. Now, is that going to happen? We don't know, but it's possible that it's going to reach $50. within only a few months after the SEC lawsuit. This is why I really love XRP. XRP is the only cryptocurrency in the market that can make you a millionaire with only a few, stocks. So I'm really excited for this, guys. In terms of the SEC versus Ripple discovery hearing, we should see that shortly, guys. It's about 40 minutes or 50 minutes. It's still going. No, it's not delayed. And I'm going to be able to show you guys live, up to date as things are going on. I'll let you guys know what's going on. I'll let you guys know what's happening. And based on that, we'll go ahead and obviously discuss and see what we think of XRP and Ripple. If you haven't liked the live stream, make sure you go ahead and like the live stream now. Make sure you also go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and obviously comment your thoughts in the comment section because I'll go ahead and have a read into that. Okay, guys, there's a quick video that I also want to show you guys here. And it says, we moved $50 million worth of XRP into our company in 2 seconds, and that costed 30 cents. There's no way that anything can do that. And I'm going to show you guys this very quickly. Let's see. Let me just change this. And if you aren't following right now my Twitter, guys, go ahead and follow it, Crypto Geek News. But let's have a quick look at this video, guys. So, again, I'll read this very quickly for you. It says, we moved $50 million worth of XRP into our company in 2 seconds. That costed only 30 cents. There's no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. This, by the way, just so you guys know, is huge for the whole XRP. This for Ripple. This is why people really love Ripple. This is why central banks love it. It is so cheap and it is so fast. You can literally get your money sent from here to any other country in the world within 3 seconds, and at the same time, it only costs you so cheap. Like even PayPal, guys. PayPal. Converting it, sending money from, let's say, PayPal to my bank, takes 5 days. Takes literally 5 days. And if you don't want 5 days, you know how much they charge you? They charge you like 3%. 3% plus it was like a few bucks fees. So imagine you have this. Imagine 2 seconds and only 30 cents for 50 million. And I'm not talking big money. I'm talking in terms of PayPal, like you want to send a few $100. So this is huge for Ripple. This is why they're very successful and people love them. But let's have a look at this video, guys, very quickly. I'm going to turn my mic off and let you guys listen.
The tribalism in this industry is insane. So there's Bitcoin maximalists, but everybody agrees XRP sucks, and I don't really get it, right? I mean, they're a legitimate company. They don't pretend to be something they're not, and they're really good at one thing: moving money fast and cheap. And it's fantastic. It fills a big need. And for a hedge fund like us to be able to denominate in Ripple and XRP, I just did the same thing, is really, really, really good. We did our first close. We moved north of $50 million into the company in Ripple, in XRP, in like 2 seconds, and it cost 30 cents. Now, that is amazing. There's no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. There's just no way to do it that fast and that cheaply, and so it serves a really useful need for us. And also when our LPs eventually redeem, hopefully never, but when they want some of the money back, we just send it in XRP again, and there's no 3-day wait for international wires or 1-day wait for US wires. We're not paying wire fees and all that. It's just, I don't understand why that's hard to understand. And so the religious wars aside, the tribalism aside, it does some things really well, and we love it for that. That being said, just because we're denominated in XRP, I'm not a special pleader for XRP. I don't work for them. The company itself is not our LP. Other people who had XRP are. I like them. I think they're great, but they're like less than 5% of our asset base at this point. Like, we do invest in XRP, but most of our investments are in other things.
Okay, guys, if you heard that, he truly believes that XRP is going to be the next big thing. Trust me, he truly believes it's the next big thing. And again, he's telling you guys because of how cheap, how fast, and its ability to go ahead and maintain its value because of how fast it is. So guys, some people, I actually was just reading very shortly, and I'll go ahead and pause this quickly to tell you guys, make sure you guys like the stream, subscribe to my channel, because this actually takes some research, and it takes quite some time. So go ahead, guys, almost 240 people in the live stream. Thank you guys so much, but like the live stream, let's spread this out, let's make everybody know Ripple is the next Cryptocurrency. Ripple's not security. Ripple's a currency. So go ahead, guys. Like the live stream. Let's get 100 likes, guys. 237 people. Let's get only 100 likes. Come on. Push it, guys. Like the like. Click the like button and then type like in the comment section if you have liked, guys. Subscribe to my channel as well. And obviously comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, guys. Let me go ahead and quickly show you guys this. I don't even know if this is legit, but it just kind of looks interesting. Coin Speaker. This is May 20th. Look what it says. Ripple's XRP granted with approval for money transfer from U.S. authorities. Sounds very good, guys. This definitely sounds very positive. But it says Ripple's XRP has gotten approval from being used in cross-border money transfer from the U.S. Consumers Financial Protection Bureau. XRP price is rising now. Ripple's XRP price has received permission from America's Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This company's cryptocurrency tokens has been used as a medium for value transfer. As at the time of filing this report, the XRP price was at 21 cents. Oh, was at 21 cents. 0.82% up. The Bureau indicated this is a recent report. It said that okay, so this was a while back. They're talking about 21 cents. This definitely was a while back. Anyways, the Bureau indicates this is a recent report. It said that it was researching new patterns in the U.S. money transfer market. Digital currency were part of that research. Okay, so let's just understand this, guys. Previously, they were using it. United States was using XRP as a value of cross-border transfer. And now they're declaring it as a security. Doesn't that kind of feel off? And you also get the U.S. Treasury that says, I am with Ripple. I'm with Ripple. I believe it's going to boom. I believe, it's going to just fly in value. So all of that, on top of each other make me believe that XRP is going to boom. XRP is not a security. XRP is the next big thing. The live stream title is clickbait. So basically, there is a court hearing today. If you aren't in right now and you don't know, there's a court hearing today. The court hearing is not rescheduled. It is today. It is today. They're going to be discussing. Let me go back to what they're going to be discussing right here. They're going to be discussing the motion to compel the turnover of documents regarding legal advice Ripple received about whether sales or offers of XRP were securities. It is May 21st, 2 p.m., not rescheduled because Jeremy Hogan's mentioned it. And he mentioned it only a little while ago. So, remember this, guys. It is live. I'm going to be telling you guys what's going on. I'm going to be updating you guys on what's happening. And I'm going to be letting you guys know, what is going on in the entire meeting here. Now, I'm going to show you guys actually, it's funny because I highlighted this very short, like in my previous video. What is the result of the XRP hearing? Where we're still going to see the XRP settlement. So right now, we're still listening to the discovery hearing. It's going to happen in about 45 minutes. This one, we'll start hearing the discovery hearing. And we'll see who goes positive in that. I want to show you guys. It's funny because I kind of want to play my video because it was very important. It was kind of a very good highlight where, I show you guys that the feds are really looking into XRP. So I'll try and do that. So 1 second. Let me try and put that up. It was just crazy. If you've seen the points, guys. Whoops. There's a misclick here, but let me just open you guys this. Let me just show you guys. Okay. I'm gonna make you guys listen to this video, and then hopefully by then the time will have come for the hearing, and then guys, I'll be right back.
Relevance to the settlement and in relevance to XRP and the whole crypto market. Huge message today from Federal Reserves, and it's going to change. Advisor. Neither am I trying to give you financial advice, and I'm not a legal advisor, so I'm not trying to give you any legal advice. If you're looking for either of those, please search on Google for your nearest lawyer or accountant. With that said, please click that like button. Make sure you click that like button. It really helps me out. Click subscribe. Really helps me out. Make sure your notifications are on.
Very quickly, guys, if you guys don't know, make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button because it definitely helps me out. And at the same time, it will get the news to everybody that there is a discovery hearing today and that XRP is not a security and that we all believe XRP is a currency. Let's go back.
Was brought up in an interview with Brad, so the Ripple chairman. And it almost sounds like they're both saying the exact same thing. I'm going to show you just a part of it here where the Federal Reserve, Jay Powell, says about the reason that they're worried about cryptocurrency being the main means of transfer. And it's about the volatility of cryptocurrency. So let me run that video for you, and then I'm going to show you right after exactly what Brad says. And they are so in sync. So I'll have you guys watch this video.
Today we are in the midst of a technological revolution that is fundamentally changing our world, reshaping how we communicate.
Okay, very quickly, guys, the hearing is today. It has not been rescheduled. The hearing is today. There's a meeting that has been rescheduled, but the discovery hearing has not been rescheduled and is still today. I'm going to go back and run the video.
System. In pursuit of these core functions, we have been carefully monitoring and adapting to the technological innovations now transforming the world of payments, finance, and banking. The effective functioning of our economy requires that people have faith and confidence not only in the dollar, but also in the payment networks, banks, and other payment service providers that allow money to flow on a daily basis. Our focus is on ensuring a safe and efficient payment system that provides broad benefits to American households and businesses while also embracing innovation. In the Fed's early days, the development of dedicated telegraph wires facilitated the transfer of funds between banks. In the 1980s, automated clearinghouse services made it possible for electronic bill payments to be an alternative to paper checks. In 2019, the Federal Reserve committed to building the FedNow service, which will enable banks to provide real-time or instant payments to their customers around the clock, 365 days a year, benefiting communities across America. Recently, the rise of distributed ledger technology, which offers a new approach to recording ownership of assets, has allowed for the creation of a range of new financial products and services, including cryptocurrencies. To date, cryptocurrencies have not served as a convenient way to make payments, given, among other factors, their swings in value. Nonetheless, coins tied to the value of the dollar or another currency, known as stablecoins, have emerged as a new way to make payments. These stablecoins aim to use new technologies in a way that has the potential to enhance payments efficiency, speed up settlement flows, and reduce end-user costs. But they may also carry potential risks to those users and to the broader financial system. For example, although the value of a stablecoin may be tied to the value of a dollar, these coins may not come with the same protections as traditional means of payment, such as physical currency or the deposits in your bank account. Therefore, as stablecoins' use increases, so must our attention to the appropriate regulatory and oversight framework. This includes paying attention to private sector payments innovators who are currently not within the traditional regulatory arrangements applied to banks, investment firms, and other financial intermediaries. Technological advances also offer new possibilities to central banks, including the Fed. In particular, technology now enables the development and issuance of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. A CBDC is a new type of central bank liability issued in digital form. While various structures and technologies might be used, a CBDC could be designed for use by the general public. For the past several years, the Federal Reserve has been exploring the potential benefits and risks of CBDCs from a variety.
Alright guys, just a quick thing here. If you haven't liked the stream, make sure you go ahead and like the stream. Subscribe to my channel as well, guys. If you guys like the stream, it will bring the stream out to more people, and that will kind of let them know what is going on in the cryptocurrency market. So do your part, guys, by liking the stream, clicking the like button, subscribing to my channel if you're unsubscribed, because I post daily XRP content, and obviously it is the latest news, and it definitely impacts the value of XRP when you guys hear the news first. So go ahead, guys, like the stream, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, guys, and if you haven't and would like to join my Patreon. But let's jump right into the video. Again, like the video, and let's go back.
and will require careful thought and analysis, including input from the public and elected officials. To help stimulate broad conversation, the Federal Reserve Board will issue a discussion paper this summer outlining our current thinking on digital payments, with a particular focus on the benefits and risks associated with CBDC in the U.S. context. As part of this process, we will ask for public comment on issues related to payments, financial inclusion, data privacy, and information security. We are committed at the Federal Reserve to hearing a wide range of voices on this important issue before making any decision on whether and how to move forward with a U.S. CBDC, taking account of the broader risks and opportunities it could offer. The paper represents the beginning of what will be a thoughtful and deliberative process. Irrespective of the conclusion we ultimately reach, we expect to play a leading role in developing international standards for CBDCs, engaging actively with central banks in other jurisdictions, as well as regulators and supervisors here in the United States throughout that process. The Federal Reserve remains committed to ensuring that the public has access to a safe, reliable, and secure payment system. Our forthcoming paper on the evolution of digital payments is intended, along with our other work as supervisor, regulator, and payment system operator, to advance the objective of ensuring that the payment system and the economy work for all Americans. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on this important topic.
Now, that, if you had watched the interview with Brad, sounds identical. Now I'm going to show you just that clip from Brad's interview where he talks exactly about how Ripple and XRP solved this exact problem.
In XRP.
But how can there be clarity on regulation when different countries are adopting different strategies when it comes to regulation? And the other thing as well is volatility. I mean, why use a cryptocurrency when it's so volatile right now?
Yeah. So look, it's a really important question. I think there's a lot of misinformation out there. I've kind of jokingly suggested that when people talk about regulatory uncertainty, it's often people because they don't like the regulation. They're not actually regulatory uncertainty. If you think about a XRP transaction from one regulated financial institution, a bank or a payment provider, they're doing what's called a KYC check, which references Know Your Customer. There's a global regulatory framework around KYC. That's at both endpoints of an XRP transaction, into and out of. So I think the regulatory certainty actually is much better than people realize. It's just educating banks, regulators about how it actually works. Now, the volatility point is also a good one. You know, XRP has clearly been volatile, as all digital assets have been. The nature of how an XRP transaction works, though, it's 1,000 times faster than Bitcoin. So the volatility risk you're taking around XRP is only for 3 seconds. So the volatility risk ends up being very, 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 very small because it's so fast.
For XRP, you've been looking at banks. If you take a longer term period, who else are you targeting for XRP? What would make sense?
Well, I think any payment provider, we're really trying to solve that cross-border payment transaction. So if you're going, we talked earlier about the U.S. dollar to the Mexican peso. It's one of the corridors we have live with XRP today. You can hold a U.S. dollar, sell that dollar, and buy XRP. In 3 seconds, you can move that XRP to Mexico and then sell the XRP and buy the Mexican peso. Whether you're a bank, a payment provider, eventually even corporates can take advantage of a dramatic decrease in cost and a dramatic increase in speed and how those transactions work.
Now, you know what's crazy is what the Federal Reserve is saying is they're not going to release the report until when? Let's take a look. I'm going to show you this clip. I'll show you exactly when they say they're going to release this report. And timing is everything for cryptocurrency. You should know that by now for sure. Listen very closely.
Of issuing a central bank digital currency, saying it's going to issue a paper. And that paper will be issued this summer that will focus on the benefits and risks of a central bank digital currency.
So the crazy thing is they're going to issue the paper in the summer. Now, keep in mind, they've been doing, if you listen to the whole interview by the Federal Reserve, Jay Powell, saying they've been doing this research and looking into it for years. And they can't release the paper now. They have to wait until the summer to release it. Doesn't that ring any bells for you in terms of a possible settlement? That is just in terms of analysis, if you want to make sense of things. Another big point. Guess, if you look just a couple of weeks back, who did Ripple hire?
A lot of people don't know this, but the best way to make money with Amazon in 2021 is not by selling physical products on Amazon like everyone thinks. I know that might come as a shocker and that might sound crazy.
Oh, they hired former U.S. Treasurer. What's their job? Looking at the U.S. dollar. She has her signature on the $100 bill. None of this connects. I mean, why would she ever join Ripple's board of directors if she saw an end to the company? If she didn't see huge potential and growth, not only for Ripple in her former experience, in her former connections. So this is big, and Ripple didn't hire her just because she's an excellent or has an excellent portfolio. But keep in mind, especially in the United States, it's all about connections. Look at the lobbies in Congress. It's all about connections. So who she knows matters to Ripple when they hire a person to become part of their board of directors. And don't tell me she doesn't know heads of the feds. She doesn't know the heads of CFTC, the head of the SEC, Gary Gensler. Don't tell me she doesn't know him and she doesn't have personal connection with him. So she was the treasurer. So that's huge. And she didn't join Ripple for no reason. All of these, in my mind, connect. Again, linking to a settlement very soon. Once we have a settlement, we can get this volatility, particularly for XRP, under control. You can, if you looked at the crash from earlier, I know there was a part where Ripple or XRP crashed, but before that, the entire market was crashing except XRP. It was stable. It had almost no fluctuation, no drop. So now there is obviously manipulation, and with a lot of pressure, things can change in the whole market. But in general, it's stabilized. And look at the market today. I mean, just yesterday we thought it was the end of the bull market. People were saying we're going into the bear market. And I was clear in my last video, we're nowhere near a bear market. But look at the market back up today. Bitcoin is back above at 40. It actually reached a little bit higher today. Cardano's back at 180. XRP back at almost 120. Binance is back close to 400. The market is back. So the drop was just a flash crash and we're back up. Look at the percentages that were up. Even Dodge, the useless coin with no utility, is up 12%. Bitcoin 6%, and so on. So guys, keep these things in mind. Keep these things in mind, and everything connects. Nothing is out of the ordinary or just there for no reason. All of these make sense. And once you see this video, you sometimes you need somebody to bring these dots together. And that's what I'm hoping to do. So make sure you click that like button. Please subscribe. And please join my Patreon if you can. And if you can share this on Twitter to educate more of the crypto community, please do that. This is very big. The fact that the bank is even considering cryptocurrencies now, central banks in the U.S., points towards big regulation. I know people were really upset today about the taxes for the government taxing or requesting reports, IRS requesting reports for anybody that exchanges more than 10,000. But you know what? That's excellent. The fact that they're actually, this is pointing to regulation, that they want to keep it. If they didn't want to keep it at all, if they want to completely ban it, they wouldn't give care about taxes, right now. The fact that they were looking at taxes proves that they want to keep cryptocurrency alive. And this is excellent news. I mean, yeah, we'll pay a little bit extra taxes, so what? But cryptocurrency is alive and well and going to do even better in the coming days, weeks, months, and years. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you subscribe.
All right, guys, and welcome back, I guess. So after obviously that video, it was a very detailed video. Isn't there a dump going on? That's what I've been reading. Is XRP dumping? No, it's not. Like, have a look at the whole entire cryptocurrency market. Let's quickly go over to the whole entire cryptocurrency market right now. It is all red. Everything is red. It's not just XRP dumping. XRP is not dumping. XRP follows Bitcoin trends. If Bitcoin's down, XRP's down. That's how it works. That's how, at this point in time, it works. But now once this Ripple case happens and we see a settlement or we see the SEC lose and Ripple, come out as as a currency, that's when we will see XRP break away from Bitcoin trends and XRP actually go ahead and boom. Now, I want to tell you guys all to hit that like button, guys. It definitely helps out the stream and it definitely spreads out this news. As well, the discovery hearing, which all you guys came for. The discovery hearing is only in 30 minutes, guys. It is not delayed. It's still going to happen as normal, 2 p.m. So make sure you guys spread the news right now, guys. The 2 p.m. discovery hearing is going to be gigantic. If we see the judge side with Ripple, which means deny the SEC, we will see the impact reflect on the price. The price will go ahead and boom. And so this is why I want to tell you guys all. If you know an XRP holder, let him go onto the stream because you want to be the first to know what's going on. I will update you guys as they're talking. I'll tell you, for example, the lawyer of Ripple has now spoken about these points. The SEC has now replied with these points, and you will be the first to know. So this is why I want you guys all to like the stream, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel, comment your thoughts right now in the comment section. Do you believe the discovery hearing will be sided with Ripple? Will Ripple win the discovery hearing? I definitely hope so because, again, I want to make some money. And, Ripple winning the discovery hearing will make us some money. Alright, guys. This is actually very interesting. Let's go ahead and actually look at what everybody's currently talking about. Let's have a quick peek at Jeremy Hogan's and see if he has updated anything. Okay, Jeremy Hogan's. Doesn't look like anything has come up, guys. By the way, make sure you are following my Twitter because I do post daily on my Twitter. All of the latest news on my Twitter right here. Okay. Let's go all the way down. Obviously, I'm not sure if you guys watch this video, but this is Rosie Rios, the former U.S. Treasury, which basically speaks about the train has already left the station. XRP is going to boom. Remember, guys, this is the U.S. former Treasury that actually spoke about, which is crazy, that actually spoke about XRP and joined the board of directors, and she signed the $100 US note. I'm not sure if you guys seen this already, but this is basically the SEC talking about the former MOUs. This was actually the results of the last discovery hearing. It was just released 2 days ago. I'll have a quick peek at it. I'll show you guys. If it will allow me. Okay, 1 second. Let's open this up, actually. Let's open this up. Crypto. Alright, guys. So this was the results of the previous discovery hearing. Whoops. Why did I do that? Whoops. Okay, this was the results of the previous discovery hearings. Thanks, Dusty from Saudi. I'm not Dusty, guys. Everybody's like, Dusty, where are you? Where is Dusty? This is not Dusty, guys. I'm not Dusty. I am Crypto Geek. Okay, guys, the discovery hearing is only in 30 minutes, but let's go back. This is the results of the previous court hearing. This is the results. So let's have a quick read of this. This says the defendants moved to the court for an order directing the Securities and Exchange Commission to withdraw its foreign request for assistance. The request to stop further discovery through such requests and to produce all previous served requests or any related communications with foreign regulators. The motion is denied. What this is, guys, and let's quickly, change it up, change the wording so you guys can understand. Basically, the SEC was getting foreign MOUs, so it was getting information from foreign countries about businesses that used XRP and Ripple. And that made those businesses uncomfortable. So the Ripple decided that they were going to ask the judge to decline that and to say, you know what, tell the judge that it should be unfair and it should not be allowed that the SEC gets foreign MOUs. So the judge said no. We are going to allow the SEC to take foreign MOUs. But there is a catch, guys, and this is what I think a lot of people didn't notice. And it's actually pretty good. This is a really important catch here. What the judge said is, okay, we're not going to allow you. We're going to allow the SEC to take foreign MOUs. Let them take whatever information. But you, Ripple, we are going to allow you to see every single document paper that comes and that the SEC gets. You are going to see it, and it's going to be copied and sent to you, and it's going to be copied and sent to me so I can see exactly. Which is very good because let's say they get foreign MOUs. Right? Let's say they get foreign MOUs, and in those MOUs it says, this is the utility with XRP. Imagine what happens then. What happens if, in the MOUs, we see, the company rates, okay, I'm using XRP is now able to be used as a method of payment. What happens then? What happens then, guys? Then the judge is going to be like, okay, yeah, so it is a utility. That means it's not a security. Boom. It's like that easy. Watch out every time we pump before the hearing, but this time might be dumping. Dusty sup, man? Everybody's like, this is Dusty. This is Dusty. Where's Dusty? I'm not Dusty, guys. This is the Crypto Geek. Let's have a look at the current price of XRP. It's not really dumping. Again, guys, let's have a look. They're all down. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this. Bitcoin's down. Ethereum, same idea. They're all down, guys. This is 100% normal. And again, it would actually be shocking if it pumps. That's the funny thing. It would be shocking if it pumps. And it does look like it's going to pump if we get positive news out of the SEC versus Ripple case. But let's go back here and let's have a read. So we get open the elastic and make your call. So bad news coming in slight push. Dusty, we know. Dusty, we know that. You are Dusty. Everybody's like, where's Dusty? This is Dusty. This is not Dusty. I'm kidding. This is not Dusty, guys. Crypto Geek. By the way, guys, if you aren't already liking the stream, go ahead and like the stream. It definitely helps out the channel. 365 people and only 130 likes, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's get 200 likes at least. Let's get 200 likes at least. Let's get 200 likes. Okay, if you are trying to get in the call. Okay, if you are trying to get into the call. Listen, it will not open up until 15 minutes or 10 minutes, I think it was before. So I'll somebody actually message me. It will not let you into the call for, the SEC unless 10 minutes before. Otherwise, it will show you as if the code doesn't actually work. Alright, guys. I always expected to cash out in 2024, so nothing faces me. Trust me, guys. I believe XRP is going to be the number one cryptocurrency. I believe it's going to be the number one cryptocurrency. So this is why, okay, listen, if you are a short-term investor, XRP is not right for you. Can you say juicy? Juicy. Oh, Dusty says that, yeah. But let me tell you guys, if you are in XRP for short-term gains, XRP is not a win for you. XRP is not a short-term gains. XRP is a long-term, is a very long-term investment that will make you way more than a short-term investment. But it is not a short-term investment. This is why people that are in XRP right now are holders. We went through so much in terms of XRP. So if anybody tells you guys, oh, you guys made profit easily, no, we did not. XRP took forever, and XRP is going to make us a lot of profit, but again, it did take some time. You call into the hearing. Okay, guys, so for everybody that's talking about the court hearing right now, if you call into the court hearing right now, you will not be entered, and it will tell you that the access code is invalid or something like that. You will not be able to go into the court hearing until 10 minutes before the actual court time. Bro, it's 1:45. No, it's not. It's 1:40 right now, and the court hearing's at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 5 or 10 minutes, that is when... Whoops, but I'm actually misclicked, and I hit some guy's comment. But it's fine. You will not be able to enter the call until 10 minutes before. And guys, again, I'm going to be updating you. If you guys can't get in the call anyways, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what is going on live while it's happening. That's why, guys, I'm asking you guys to like the stream and comment, guys. Comment your thoughts down below. I'm going to be live streaming what's going on. I'm going to tell you guys as they're speaking. So like the stream, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And obviously, comment your thoughts down below. Bro, you going to stream it? Yeah, I'm going to be live streaming it. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's going on as it happens. Okay, guys, let's see what anybody else is talking about. Let's see what everybody else is talking about. I'm going to go ahead and jump on Twitter right now. Let's see. You know what? This is what we'll do, guys, very quickly. We'll jump right here. This is obviously, they're going to be discussing, the SEC versus Ripple case is going to be a discussion between SEC versus Ripple, and it's going to be about the motion to compel the turnover of documents regarding legal advice Ripple received about whether sales or offers of XRP were securities. So basically, they're going to be discussing if XRP was sold as security, XRP was sold as security by Ripple or not. And obviously, they're going to get the documents for it. They're not going to, you can't really declare it. They're going to get the documents for it. Okay, guys, I'm going to quickly jump on Twitter and let's see what everybody's talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly go over XRP Ripple. Oh, it's trending, actually. There's 2,000 tweets in the last hour. Latest. Let's see what's going on. So let's get ready to rumble. Okay, so this is the code as well, guys. Code will not work until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is what I've been telling you guys the entire time. This is what I've been talking about, guys. This is what I've been talking about. So we do have a few people. Let's see what James has to say here. If there's anything new. Please note, some cryptos on uphold on tier 4, buy, hold, and sell. Okay, I don't even know what he's talking about right here. I think he's talking about other cryptocurrencies. But guys, this is actually very important. Did you guys know, actually, and this will bring us back to Jeremy Hogan's, in fact. Did you guys know that you can now pay your phone bill, or certain phone bills, through XRP? And I'll go back to the actual post here where Jeremy Hogan's actually posted it. People can now pay their phone bill through XRP. And this is what he says. He says, when the XRP utility argument next comes up in the court for the SEC versus Ripple, the Ripple lawyer, all he needs to do is call in from his Euclid XRP funded phone and tell the judge, I'll address utility now. Just a moment. Let me just add some more minutes to my call with a couple XRP here. And why is that? There is officially an adoption of XRP right now where Euclid users can now use XRP to pay for electricity, mobile top-ups, and many more. Isn't that just huge, guys? Isn't that just huge? Mine worked already. How long until the hearing? It should be about 10 minutes. Wayne dumping. Bitcoin is dumping. We're not going to be dumping, guys. XRP is the win here. XRP is not going to dump. But anyways, now you can actually fill up your phone, like pay your phone bill, pay your electricity with XRP. And this is the proof that XRP is a utility and that it's not a security. And again, if you guys didn't read this already, look at what Jeremy Hogan has to say again. I won't read it since I already did, but just a quick overview. He's saying that the judge should go ahead, call the lawyer, or the XRP lawyer, Ripple lawyer, should call the judge now and tell him, I'll address utility now. Just a moment. Let me add some more minutes to my call with, XRP. And this should kind of prove that XRP is and has utility. This is all of the proof that there is here. So, this is, again, some very, very good news. And this just shows you guys that in the near future, we're going to see XRP not get declared a security. We might even see a settlement, and I believe there will be a settlement, but we're going to see XRP come up positive. And once that happens, we are going to see the price of XRP boom, maybe even past $30, $20, $30. This is obviously, some people say 10, some people say 20, some people even say 50. Again, imagine $50. Your XRP that's not worth $1 is going to be worth 50. It's possible. That's what people are saying. Also, guys, if you guys are not sure, the glitch is fixed. The glitch is finally fixed. Just got one more $1.01. Yeah, man, you got it very cheap. Okay, guys, quickly, let's go ahead and like the stream, guys. Let's get 250 likes. If we hit 250 likes, guys, that would be absolutely amazing. It definitely helps the stream. So go ahead, like the stream, like the video. Taboo says, lol, that's very optimistic. Yeah, some people are very optimistic. And again, people are saying 50, people are saying past that. But again, think about it. XRP is going to go back on all exchanges. They're going to re-get all their contracts. They're going to gain new contracts. They're going to go ahead and, on top of that, guys, what they're going to do is they're going to now be put in central banks. Which, again, central banks, I'll show you guys a video here. So, it was discussing central banks, right? How much will the price reach if XRP were to get in central banks? And trust me, you do not want to miss out on this video. Okay, guys? You're going to get sharked on the numbers, they say. If XRP gets in central banks, it's just getting used as the official world bridge currency, the price is going to skyrocket to.
Where do you feel that XRP, just based on your honest opinion, is going to hit, say, a month after regulation?
Yeah. So we believe that the last domino to fall on regulation right now is the SEC lawsuit, and that could be resolved in a variety of ways, but it could also be resolved in regulation coming in over the top. We know it's imminent, though, right? So when I say imminent, I would be surprised if a quarter from now we're really still embroiled in the SEC lawsuit, because I think the state of affairs throughout the world is such that we're going to need a solution like an XRP for liquidity purposes sooner rather than later. So the question is then, okay, we've magically resolved it. Where does the price go? It's easy to project that it's a double-digit number. So I think it immediately shoots up to a $10, potentially $20 The wild card to me is that there is actually a deal to be done among the central banks and governments to basically have XRP work as the world's bridge currency, a neutral asset that can be traded between the central banks to move a specific type of fiat to another type of fiat. If that's what occurs, it's back to what we were discussing earlier. It's got to cover kind of all the money. And I think you're looking at a range that XRP would settle on agreement. So this would happen instantaneously, somewhere between $10,000 and $35,000 a coin. And our lives will be, maybe the same, maybe different. I don't know. Probably a little different.
Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear what he said? 10 to 30,000. And you guys are talking about people that said $100 are optimistic and $50. He's saying $10 to $30,000 in XRP. Isn't that just mind blowing? Isn't that like I can? This is not even like something that I can imagine. This is not even something that would even go in my head, guys. I'd be like, what the heck? This is not normal. He's saying $10 to $30,000 in XRP. If we see all of that happen, if we see all central banks accept it. Again, that's just crazy, guys. It's just mind-blowing. Guys, the SEC vs. Ripple hearing is only in 10 minutes, guys. So if you're not in the live stream, subscribe to my channel. Like the live stream right now. Tell your friends. Tell anybody that owns XRP. This is going to be huge for XRP right now. Like the stream, guys. 480 viewers. Let's get at least 300 likes. Do your part by liking the stream so we can spread it. So we can tell everybody what is going on with the XRP market. And that will maybe, hopefully, push the value up once we get some positive news out of XRP. Again, I am so excited, really happy, guys, and I am just ready to jump into the lawsuit. Again, it's going to be very shortly. It's going to be happening very shortly, only 10 minutes, guys. Yeah, I know. AB says, what? Yeah, he's saying that it could actually reach $10,000 if all central banks accept it. Again, that's very huge news, and that is very, very optimistic, but it definitely shows you that it's possible. Very unlikely, but very possible. XRP will get to $5. Yeah, guys, that's something I believe right there. Okay, guys, there's already over 1,000 people that are currently inside the call. 1,063 people in the call, guys. I'm excited. Are you excited? That's the real question here. And I'm going to try and jump in, guys. But yeah, I am actually very, very excited, and I definitely believe that's some very positive news right there. Quickly, guys, if you guys are not in the call already, make sure you are jumping into the call. The phone number is 844-291-4185, and again, it's on the screen right now. Then you want to go ahead and input the code right here. The code is 4933410. So make sure you go ahead, input that code in right there. Alright. Let's go, guys. Finally, we are into the call. So, again, guys, I will be updating you guys if you aren't able to make it into the call. I'm going to be updating you guys as things go on. So, for example, tell you guys, okay. So, for example, the lawyer just said that. The lawyer just said this. And you guys will hopefully be able to know what is going on. You guys will hopefully be able to understand and know. You guys will hopefully be able to know what is going on with the lawsuit. So guys, I'm just setting everything up here. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Comment in the comment section actually right now. Do you think it is going to be successful? Do you think it is going to be successful? Do you think XRP will actually win this discovery hearing? Or do you believe that Ripple will win this, or that the SEC will win this? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Let's see who thinks XRP is going to win. Let's see who thinks SEC is going to win. Comment 1 for SEC, 2 for Ripple. Let's go. Everybody better be commenting 2. Everybody better be commenting 2. Let's see your 2s right there. Let's see your 2s, boys. Yeah, man, XRP is going to win. I believe so as well. I believe SEC is going to be the winner in this case because, again, they have shown that they are a utility. They have shown that they deserve the win. Oh, we... All right, let's go. Yeah, all those twos, guys. All those twos. Okay. I'm just jumping in right now, having a listen, see what's going on, see how many people are currently in there. All right, let's do this. All right, guys. All right. Okay, let's. I'm listening in here to see. I don't think. Okay, nobody has talked yet, guys. So nobody has talked. Okay, guys, we are finally in here where I'm going to update you guys on exactly what is going on in the SEC lawsuit, guys. This is really exciting. Hopefully we get that win. Once we get that win, guys, it's just going to be crazy, guys. It's going to be crazy. I do believe the XRP price is going to pump. It's going to skyrocket to the moon. I want everybody right now, like the live stream right now, guys. Take a pause, like the live stream. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel right now. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, I'm in the call, guys. I'm in the call. So we're in, guys. You guys are going to hear live updates as they show up. Like the live stream right now, guys. Let's hit 300 likes. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Let's go ahead and hit 3,000 subscribers. Follow me on Twitter because I will also be posting a ton of content there. And guys, on top of that, if you want to go ahead and get the latest, most updated news and an exclusive one video a week, go ahead and check out my Patreon. All the links are down below, guys. Now time to go ahead and quickly update you guys. There's over 150 banks that actually already have XRP in them. No, I'm not related to Dusty. I'm not Dusty, guys. I'm not Dusty. This is the Crypto Geek Live. But yeah, guys, follow my Twitter, join my Patreon if you guys want, which I am going to update you guys right now, guys. We are in the call. Currently, nobody's speaking in the exact call button. Can I hit the like button again? No, you can't. Only once. But yeah, let's see what anybody has to say. We're going to jump through, guys, to Jeremy Hogan's right here. So until we actually get some action here, I'll just keep on letting you guys know about all the brand new updates. Jeremy Hogan, almost 2,000 people actually. This is 7 minutes ago, guys. I think he's almost full. I think there are only like 100 or 200 spots left. 100 or 200 spots and then we're full. Last time we were actually in the call, it filled up within, guys, within the it was at 2 p.m. exactly. So within 7 minutes, all 4,000 spots were done in the next 7 minutes. So if you're not in the call and you want to jump in right now, if you are not in the call or don't want to get in the call, it is fine. I'm going to be letting you guys know exactly what is going on as it shows, like almost exactly. I'll let you guys know who's speaking, what are they saying. And again, I'll try and do my best to summarize to you guys so that you guys understand. Nonetheless, guys, I'm so hyped up right now. Who's hyped in the chat? Who's hyped? Type hashtag hyped in the chat, guys. Hashtag hyped in the chat. Are we going to see XRP fly to $2 today? Are we going to see the Pump Boys? I know one of the best XRP songs are, you got to pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Yo, guys, I am so excited. No, I'm not Dusty. I'm not Dusty. This is the Crypto Geek channel. Nonetheless, guys, again, hit that like button and let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on right now. So I have a lot of Twitter opened right here, guys. Follow my Twitter, Crypto Geek News, linked in the description as well. Oh my God, this is just like, I'm so freaking excited right now. But let's see what's going on. Let's check on the latest news, guys. What's going on? What's going on? Let's check Twitter right now. The latest, oh, what? Okay, yeah, the ADA, bro. If you guys don't know ADA, it's actually another really good stock, but XRP is the one we want, guys. XRP is the one we want. All right, latest for XRP. This is fake, by the way, scams. So you never, ever, guys, click on any of these. All right, guys, they're speaking. All right, guys, yeah, they're talking right now. This is not. They're speaking. So right now, guys, they're just basically talking to each other. Like the judge is talking to all the lawyers and asking if they're there, if they're appearing. So and they're also talking about who is going to be talking, who's going to be allowed to talk during the call. So during the SEC lawsuit, they're asking about who's going to be talking. Right now, they're talking about the lawyers. I know you guys can't, so I can't actually rebroadcast it to you, but I'm going to be actually summarizing it to you guys. So you have, right now, you guys have all, they're basically asking each other, okay, for example, now they're asking it to the SEC. Who's going to be talking on the SEC side? That's what they're talking about. Okay. All right, and now he's saying, so she just mentioned a list. She just mentioned a list of who's going to be speaking, and both the SEC and the lawyer for Ripple agree, or both the SEC and Ripple have now agreed that, yeah, the list is not correct, and those are the people that are going to be speaking. So again, if you aren't liking the stream, like the stream, guys. Let's hit 300 likes. Let's hit 300 likes now. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Who is she? She's the judge. The judge just asked. Okay, so again, this is just very basic things. They're not really going into detail. Really, there's nothing right now that's going on. It is just basically talking about who's going to be talking. So again, guys, very interesting. If you haven't liked the stream right now. Subscribe to my channel. This is huge news, guys. This is huge news. If we see Ripple win this, guys, we are going to see a pump, guys. And we're already starting to see a pump, guys. We're starting to see a minor pump. It's happening, though. 104, guys. Again, I'm so excited right now. Oh, my God. So hyped. We're already starting to see a pump, guys. I do believe if we get this W, we shall go ahead and, we'll see it probably fly to 150. We'll see it probably fly to 150. Sometimes they actually say if whoever wins during the actual hearing. So at the end of the hearing, do you actually believe that the call's live? I'm literally in the call. Guys. I'm in the call. All right? You guys can't hear it, but I'm in the call because I'm not allowed to rebroadcast it. I'm only allowed to summarize it to you. Oh, my God. This is, guys, just absolutely crazy. Who's excited, boys? Who thinks that we are going to go ahead and win the lawsuit? Let's go. I just got out of my chair. Yeah, you've got to pump it up. You've got to pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Yo, is it pumping? Okay, so it did go down, but it's fine. Again, we are not, now that it's, by the way, now it's absolutely silent. There's nothing. So there's really not going to be any discussions until the 2 p.m. mark where, again, they go back and they say, okay, is the judge, so is the SEC lawyer here present? And then the SEC lawyer will say, yeah, I'm present. Is the Ripple lawyer here? Yeah, the Ripple lawyer will reply, yeah, present. And then they'll start to, they'll just say the requirements where basically nobody's allowed to rebroadcast. Obviously, they'll say, the standard policies. And that's when they'll start jumping in and everybody will state their points. So, again, there is no deciding today for a winner. There is deciding. So, there is a decision. Okay, so today there will be a decision. Now, the decision, though, is going to be who wins the discovery hearing, not who wins the lawsuit. Yeah, if you don't have diamond hands, guys, you better have some diamond hands. All right, guys, almost 700 people live in the stream, guys. I want to let you guys all know right now, make sure you guys like the stream. Let's get to 400 likes, guys. Let's show everybody that the XRP army is the strongest army there. 400 likes. If everybody could do their part, like the stream and then comment liked in the chat. Like the stream right now, guys, and then comment like in the chat, guys. Currently, nobody's talking in the hearing right here. Nobody's talking. But again, I'll update you guys once somebody starts talking. Like the stream, guys. 400 likes. Isn't that a big hearing today? Today is the big hearing. Yeah, it is. XRP from Singapore. Where are you guys listening from, guys? Type that in the chat. Where are you guys listening? Where are you guys listening? Crypto Geek. Only thing that you would get out of the hearing is something positive for Ripple or SEC. Exactly. That's what we're talking about. Comment liked in the chat and then comment where you're listening from. And if you aren't subscribed yet, guys, to the channel, subscribe now before the hearing starts so you can get the earliest news. All right, 2 p.m., guys. Who's excited? Denmark, UK, Czechoslovakia, Indonesia, Germany, California. We got all of them, guys. We got all of them. Manchester. All right, guys. It's nice to see everybody's in here, guys. Again, I'm going to update you guys as we go throughout the live stream. I'm going to update you guys constantly. And if you aren't liking the stream, again, the goal is 400 likes right now before we actually go into, hopefully before the time starts for the lawsuit, the SEC versus Ripple hearing. For the SEC versus Ripple hearing. So if you guys could like the stream, let's get 400 likes. Like the stream, then comment liked. And let's jump into it. Yeah, everybody get your popcorn, guys. Get your pop, get your coffee, guys. It is going to be a long but very good time. It might be the best day, guys, of your life. Imagine we get that W. That'd just be crazy. Again, guys, people predict that at the end of this SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, if there's actually a settlement or if they win, the XRP price is going to be $20. So what will you guys do if XRP price reaches $20 in XRP? Let's hear what you guys are gonna do with $20. Oh, yo, we got XRP from Kazakhstan, XRP from Palestine. Let's go. Netherlands. Oh my, nice, bro. Everybody all around the world. And this just shows you guys the XRP army is united. Right? No matter from which country you are, we all have diamond hands. We all are trying to get XRP not declared as security. We all are working together to achieve one goal, and that is to get XRP to as much price or as high of a value as we can, obviously by them hopefully not being declared as security. Hodl, let's go. Yeah, India, buy and hold the dip, $20, all vaccines on me, yo. Alright, still quiet in the chat, still quiet in the call, I mean. Nothing yet. It is currently 2:02 p.m., so two minutes after the time. Guys, 800 people in the stream. That is absolutely mind-blowing. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the live stream. Please subscribe, guys, to the live stream. It definitely helps me out and helps my channel. And it lets you guys know, guys, if anything is updated, I always make a video on it. And so you guys want to, right now, go ahead. You want to like the stream to help support the stream and to, guys, spread this out to everybody so that hopefully, if there's something positive, everybody knows. And you want to subscribe to my channel so that if any good news comes out, you guys are the first to know. Alright, guys, so again, like the stream right now, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, guys, follow me on Twitter, and again, make sure you guys go ahead and, guess what? If you want to go ahead and get the latest news, follow my Patreon, right? I always post one exclusive video on my Patreon every week, so you get to know first, and it's exclusive for only my Patreon. So all the links are down below, Patreon, Twitter, follow me, all that stuff. Yo, we're getting more people in Saudi Arabia. Yo, Saudi Arabia banks are now using Ripple. That is absolutely crazy, guys. 24 thumbs. Guys, only, let's say, 5 more thumbs up, guys. 2 more thumbs up, and then we hit 400 likes. So hit that thumbs up button. We are so close to hitting, guys, let's see this. So close to hitting 2,300 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe, boys. Go ahead and subscribe. Yo, I'm so hyped. Still nothing in the live. Still nothing, the SEC vs Ripple call. It should be starting very, very shortly. And again, I'm going to update you guys as things happen. So hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Somebody in the chat saying $5,000 in XRP after settlement. Wow, that would be amazing. How many of you guys... Okay, let's ask a good question like this. If XRP were to reach $100, okay? If XRP were to reach $100, how would you celebrate? Let's go. How would you celebrate if XRP were to hit $100? Comment that in the comment section. Like the stream, subscribe, follow my Patreon, guys. And again, oh, by the way, guys, I officially now got Super Chat. Literally got Super Chat, guys. I wonder if that's like just recently. So hopefully that actually works as well. But oh my God, the hype is real. The hype is real. The hype is real. Is XRP going to go ahead and win this? Is Ripple going to win this settlement, guys? Is Ripple going to win? I personally own... Somebody said... Wait, 1 second. You should never post how much XRP you own, guys. Just to let you guys know. Trip around the world? Yeah, I'd probably do the same. I personally... Yeah, you should never... Give us a live recording. Can't give you guys a live recording. You're not allowed. $100 XRP celebration, yo, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead. Alright. Everyone here invited... Alright, guys, let's go back. Okay, let's listen in. I'm listening in, guys, on the SEC vs Ripple hearing. Right, SEC vs Ripple hearing. They're saying it's another few minutes before they actually get started. So in this few minutes, guys. Oh, they're talking. Let's hear what they have to say. Still, they're just again introducing who is going to be in talking again. They're re-summarizing it, calling out names. Alright. Now they've gone quiet. Yeah, it's just the settlement conference. So basically, this is not a settlement conference, this is a discovery hearing. And I believe that this discovery hearing is going to go ahead and actually impact the settlement. So I believe that the SEC is trying to do this discovery hearing so that they have some documents so that when they go on the settlement table with XRP or Ripple, they now will be able to argue and say, okay, Ripple, yeah, you have some documents, but we have some documents as well, and this is why we want to charge you $1 million fee or whatever. Alright, guys, so... Again, this is a very exciting day. Let's try and hit 500 likes. We are only 50 likes away. So hit 500 likes. like that stream, subscribe to my channel, guys. Obviously, comment your thoughts down below. All right. Listening from Greece. Yeah, hello. You have to be related to Dusty. No, I'm not. It's canceled. No, it's not canceled. All right. Judge is talking. The judge is talking. All right. They're speaking. All right. They're saying this is the SEC versus Ripple Labs. Now they're saying the number of the, obviously, this hearing. All right. The SEC is seeing their appearance right now. The SEC, okay, the SEC guy's talking, saying that he has his colleagues are on the line. On behalf of Ripple Labs now they're asking Ripple Labs. Gregory Raffaway is speaking and saying that Ripple Labs is present. Guys, hit the like button right now. Hit the like button. We're about to, I'm so excited. Defendant Larson. Oh my God. People. Again, now they're stating who's present, who's going to speak on behalf of each. See, on behalf of Mr. Garlinghouse, who's going to speak. Matt Solomon's going to speak on behalf of Brad Garlinghouse. No, guys, we are not going to be rebroadcasting. We're not rebroadcasting. I'm just telling you guys what's going to happen. We tell you guys know exactly, so you guys know. Like the stream, guys, right now. Everybody's heart's pumping. Like the stream, guys. Subscribe to my channel so that you guys know what's going on. Let's hit at least 500 likes. That's 3 likes away. And let's hit 2,000 or 3,000 subscribers, guys. I'm only like a few hundred subscribers away. Exactly. So they just stated right now, this cannot be rebroadcasted, nor can it be recorded. Exactly. So this is why we're not going to be recording or we're not going to be rebroadcasting. I'm just going to summarize you guys in my own words. Now she's talking about the policies. And she's talking about always state your name again. You have to always mention your name before you speak so that we know which judge or lawyer is talking and on who he's talking about. Yo, thank you guys so much. We got a super chat here. Sonic Boom Token is an absolute amazing if I did with Saint Moon. XRP, guys. We're going for the XRP, though. Thank you for the super chats. Okay, so now they're going to talk about the fair notice. Make sure you guys are subscribing, liking the stream, guys. Okay, let's see what they're talking about now. Okay. Okay, Mr. Ferrero's going to be talking about first. I think that's his name. I'm not even sure. This is a discovery hearing. Yeah. So now she's talking, you describe the defendants, right? She's describing the defendant. So now they're saying that the defendant is using the defense that they lack fair notice, but even though they kind of got notice, right? Make sure you guys like the stream, by the way, guys. I'm trying to listen in so I can then tell you. That's why. Like the stream, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Let's get 3,000 subscribers. And let's get 600 likes. Okay, so now they're saying that the SEC should be able to test and reply back to that defense. Oh, the fair notice defense. Yeah, I did see the Federal Reserve video. I talked about it in my latest video. Guys, let's hit 600 likes. Let's go. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Let's hit 3,000 subscribers. And now she's asking them, what do you suggest? What type of testing should we do? Guys, let's hit. Oh, Jorge Tenero is not talking. Okay, so now he's saying that the Upton case that, Ripple is using should be allowed to be looked at. The documents should be allowed to be looked at. Ripple's document should be allowed to be looked at because that's the only defense, the Upton case. And now they're saying that the fair notice should not be Ripple's saying that so the SEC is saying that Ripple's saying that the bar. One second, let me just keep on listening. She's talking about the Upton case. All right. All right. So she's talking about the Upton case. This guy can't. Okay. So she's saying basically that the Upton case, yes, we are using part of the Upton case, but part of our defense is different as well. So Ripple. All right. All right, guys. I'm trying to listen in quickly so that again I can summarize it to you guys. Otherwise, you're gonna get in parts and you might not understand. Okay, she's saying that there's a very clear rule that they shouldn't be giving a notice for. Like the fair notice doesn't work on them. The SEC attorney is talking, and then the judge interrupted him. Oh, so now they're saying there was a clear rule in the Upton case. That's the Ripple lawyer. He's saying that there's a clear rule in the Upton case, but then the SEC didn't actually take action. So, and then it's one sec. And that they only took part of the Upton case and left the other part. And that it doesn't matter if it's subjective or objective. Now that Ripple's saying, how are they supposed to know if it's subjective or objective? How are they supposed to know if the SEC doesn't know, right? One sec. So he's talking about the documents. So now he's saying that in the document that she provided said if Ripple could prove that there was that it wasn't clear, then they would accept it. If there's confusion. So now he's saying in the letter it said if there's confusion, then the SEC cannot basically use that. Yeah. It's guys, it's kind of hard, right, to like to listen and summarize. That's what I'm trying to get to. Ripple's answer. Okay. They say when a platform listed XRP. Okay, so they're saying when the XRP listed, when Ripple listed XRP, the SEC confused them, and then it caused them not to delist XRP. Okay. Okay, so here, guys, I got it for you guys. So now the SEC is saying they agree with the judge. They say that Ripple says the SEC did not provide the necessary clarity in a timely manner, and they say that they submit that their state of mind of confusion makes them win the arguments. SEC says that Ripple offers a good defense by using correct words. Okay, guys, I got it for you guys. Now we got it. I got it now. Finally. Oh my god, that actually took some time. Now I can actually summarize for you guys. All right, now they're Ripple's still talking. The SEC is saying that Ripple already received the advice of lawyers, and that they hired up to 12 for law firms. And that the lawsuit, and that the lawyers they went to gave them advice and told them about the SEC case. Thank you guys for the super chats. The SEC referred to the Upton case as in its defense right now, and they're saying that the information requested from Ripple. Oh, the judge interrupted the SEC. They continue by saying the Upton case was different, not the same. The cases are different. The judge clarified to SEC what the Upton case was about. Okay, so the judge asked him for 1 second. Interrupted him. Now he's talking about the beginning of the answer on page 97 of one of the documents. The judge is siding with Ripple, disrupting the SEC. Every time they bring up the case, saying it's not the same. That's what the judge is saying. So again, the judge is really interrupting the SEC guy and telling him that it's not the same. So what I'm doing, guys, is I'm listening, I'm taking notes, and then I'm reading you guys the notes. Because it's really hard to, like... Okay, so now the SEC is saying... Ripple says that they want not only advice from their counsel, but they also want clarity from the SEC, so that because they don't know, right? They're saying that the SEC doesn't have any clarity. Ripple's also using the same trick as in the Upton case. They say that that at least 4 law firms offered Ripple clarity on what XRP was. Ripple got the advice from FinCEN what XRP was. And now they're saying so now he's talking about the fairness principle. Judge interrupts. SEC is not asking. They want to see what the lawyers. Oh no. The SEC is saying that Ripple is saying that SEC is like the actions of SEC is influencing the value of XRP. Now the XRPs, the SEC is talking about the XRPs wants internal memos, which they already partially got. Well, SEC, why would they need it if they already got their advice? SEC saying that they already know that XRP got advice from lawyers about what XRP actually is. Ripple, SEC says that Ripple also says that they're not relying on the word of counsel, on the advice of counsel. SEC also says that the memo correctly clarifies legitimately the legality of XRP from the past. Ripple should have relied on their lawyers and went with that. They should not have waited from advice from the SEC, says the Ripple. And he also says that, the SEC also says that Ripple says that the SEC's actions tell the market how to act. The lawyer ends up disagreeing. Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my stream, guys. Again, it takes a really long time to actually go ahead and do that. Make sure, guys, 1,200 likes inside, 1,200 people. We only 500 likes. Let's get 1,000 likes, guys. Like, stream, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys all for everybody that did the super chat. Appreciate it, guys. Join my Patreon if you want to get exclusive one video a week, and follow me on Twitter. All links are down below. Like the stream, guys. Let's get 1,000 likes. Let's get 1,000 likes to 3,000 subscribers. Only like 200, only a few hundred subscribers left. So like the stream, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to see what they say. I'm reading some notes as well, guys. Interruption. I see just. The judge says they're not the same and that she gets the difference between the two concepts that they're talking about. Oh, she says she doesn't believe that this should be an area of discovery. And that she doesn't believe that a void for vagueness is something that makes sense. She said it's so vague that it doesn't make sense. And she's saying that it doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't matter whether a lawyer said it's really clear. Because she's saying you should look at how it's enforced and the relevance. She's saying the fair notice defense. The SEC interrupted and stopped. SEC didn't interrupt, but he's talking. SEC says the argument that he stated is not vague. At this point, I feel like it looks very positive for Ripple, honestly, guys. Alright, right now, guys, I just finished up my note. Ripple says, so the SEC says, Ripple wants to say that what they were doing was okay because they were confused. Now the judge says, the judge's questions SEC says, and says, she says that Ripple is using their defense because the issue was so vague. Ripple says that the law was too vague, and again, that's what the whole thing is about. They're saying Ripple's saying that your arguments, the things that we should have understood are too vague. There's nothing specific that talks about it. Now SEC's talking. Now that that there's the SEC is arguing that Ripple should have known. Okay, the SEC is already on the defense. The SEC is arguing that Ripple should have known that they were in violation of the Howey because the SEC thinks some legal counsel told Ripple they could be dealing in securities. I'm Hop. The judge seems unimpressed or unconvinced. Yeah. Again, yeah. So right now the judge doesn't feel convinced, right? But the SEC now is the SEC's talking again. That's what he has to say. Now he's saying that the XRP would know. Oh, whoops! See, the XRP is not because he said they. He said they know they would lose. Something like that. I couldn't catch it. The SEC saying that Ripple's trying to move from a purely legal question to a court to I don't even know. He said something court with a factual question. Again, the judge. Now the SEC is arguing. Okay, so the ICC attorney, guys, clearly seems frustrated, and he's been interrupted 3 times. So, and now he's talking about, SEC. So, okay, one second. Somebody right now just, because I'm doing a bunch of things right now, trying to get it fast. So he said, so let me get this straight. Nobody should listen to the SEC for guidance? That doesn't make sense. I don't know, man. SEC said if you, I don't even know, guys. This is a very, very interesting. How is the SEC, how is Ripple supposed to know, guys, if SEC couldn't even know? How is Ripple supposed to know if SEC didn't even know? Guys, appreciate all of the super chats. You guys are amazing. Please like the stream. No problem, guys. Like the stream. Let's get 1,000 likes and let's get 3,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. It helps me out. And it makes me do a lot more of these. Alright. Yeah, guys. As you see, guys, very frustrated right now. You don't see him. He sounds very frustrated. Now he's saying the principle has to apply both ways, right? It's in that it's either a purely legal or it's a factual. Saying it shouldn't be both. That's what the SEC guy's saying. It can't be both. Or it shouldn't be both. It should be one or the other. In terms of the vagueness. Now he's saying that Ripple's rejecting that. Quick point here. He's kind of speaking on behalf of Ripple now. I don't even know why, but now he's ending off his speaking thingy, or he's ending off by saying that he's willing to answer any other questions that anybody wants to ask. Alright. Now the SEC, let's see, lawyers is heavily reliant on Ripple's own words, is what he's saying. He says, remember words can be interpreted differently. That's what he's saying. He's saying the SEC lawyer is heavily reliant on Ripple's own words. But remember, Ripple's words can words can be interpreted in different ways. So somebody can say something and then that could mean something else. But Ripple's saying, or XCC saying that, we should rely on exactly what they're saying. Oh? The judge is saying it doesn't necessarily follow. The judge saying she's read the affirmative defense, Ripple's affirmative defense closely. She's saying that Ripple's arguing that the conduct of the SEC and the market made a lack of clarity, like made it not clear. Yeah, of the regulations of XRP. So, and she even says, guys, that it's not entirely clear to her. She's even saying, guys, that it doesn't make sense to her why Ripple's state of mind is even in this. Or what a lawyer said so long ago. Yeah, guys, in my opinion, it looks very positive, guys, for Ripple. I'm not gonna lie. It looks very positive for Ripple. She's kind of siding with Ripple. It looks very positive, guys. We definitely see Ripple right now looks to be winning, guys, this lawsuit. Or this discovery hearing. And she's saying that Ripple's lawyers providing that assessment is just one opinion. But she's interpreting it. Needs to focus on the external factors and not just on somebody's opinion. Guys, it looks very positive for us. Guys, hit the like button. Hit the like button, guys. I'm excited. And if you guys are excited as well, hit that like button. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel right now. I want to hit 3,000 subscribers, and I want to hit at least 1,000 likes. Thank you guys all for the super chat. It definitely feels good, and it definitely helps me out. Alright, I'm listening, guys. Try and summarize you guys another. So now she's saying the SEC says that we agree that in regards to the vagueness that Ripple would win this, but Ripple's not using this defense. The SEC is also saying if Ripple received good advice and refused to follow it, then they would lose. Now the judge is talking. The judge says that the fact that a fact-based record needs to be done does not show the state of mind of Ripple. They're arguing that the action of the SEC has created the confusion. That's the judge guy talking. Or the judge, it's a lady. Created the confusion. And she's also continuing saying it is not clear that it is not clear to the judge how Ripple's state of mind on this question is relevant. Again, so she's siding with Ripple in this case, saying that, to her it doesn't make sense why somebody's state of mind would matter in this whole lawsuit. Right? Guys, this looks very positive. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I am so excited. Okay, let's listen in, guys, so I can update you guys. Guys, I don't know. This sounds very good. Alright, guys, hit the like button. Let's get only like 100 or 200 more likes to hit 1,000. Please smash that like button and then type liked in the chat. As well, guys, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I post daily XRP content. As well, guys, if you want to join my Patreon, there's an exclusive, guys, one video a week, and all of these updates on my Patreon for Patreons only. Link is in the description, as well as follow my channel. Follow my Twitter, link in the description. Let's go ahead, hit that like, subscribe right now. All right, let's listen in. Okay, guys, so now the judge just said that she understands what the SEC's turn is saying, but that she disagrees with his interpretation of the facts at hand. She's putting it back on the SEC to find prior case, which actually proves their point. And this interruption counter 3. And this third interruption as well, the Judge Netburn of the SEC says she's challenging and questioning George Tenorio and seemingly not buying his explanation as he begins to repeat himself. Netburn's still not entirely clear to why Ripple's state of mind is relevant even after a long ramble from the SEC. Guys, this is great news for Ripple. Oh my god, guys. It almost feels as if like the judge is actually an XRP lawyer. Guys, I'm like, don't you guys feel the same? It almost feels as if XRP, the judge is actually XRP's lawyer because of all what she's saying. She's really questioning, you know? Yo. Again, yo guys, like the stream if you think that SEC is gonna lose this discovery hearing. Like the stream if you think Ripple's gonna win. If you think Ripple's gonna win this discovery hearing, like the stream, guys, right now. And if you think XRP Ripple's gonna win this hearing as well, hit that sub button, guys. I want to hit 3K subs. It definitely helps me out. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. There's only like a few hundred more subscribers left for 3,000. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button, it would be absolutely amazing. So hit that subscribe button now. Like the stream. Take a red slit on, bros. I'm trying my best to get you guys some fast news right here. Okay. This is going to be a long call, boys. Another interruption. Yo, the SEC guys. The SEC guy is really trying to jump in, right? Fourth interruption. All right. Now the SEC is claiming if Ripple got legal advice and refused to follow it, it should be revealed to the SEC and the court. Okay, now the judge is replying. Judge is replying right now. Okay, now the judge is saying that the way she has been thinking about it, paraphrasing, in respect to the fair notice defense, she is not aware of a case where good faith belief is relevant. Good faith belief is relevant. Okay, the judge says an expert should have been able to say, based on how the market is right now, it should be this way. The defense got this based on one expert's opinion, but they should not rely on the expert, but based on how the market is and what information they get from the regulators. The fact that a fact-based record needs to be done does not show the state of mind of Ripple. They're arguing that the action of the SEC has created a confusion. It is not clear to the judge how Ripple's state of mind on this question is relevant. Now the SEC is citing previous cases, and they're saying that they need a full record of the members to see what their opinion was. Says the state of mind is important. Oh, and then Joe, the judge just interrupted. Fifth interruption. All right. One sec, guys. I'm just writing some notes, guys, so I can just totally summarize it to you guys. Trying to give you guys, and again, paragraphs rather than like sentence per sentence. All right, now he's saying that we should look at previous cases. That's the SEC. Honestly, I don't even think Ripple got a chance to speak yet. It's been just a back and forth type idea with the SEC versus the judge. With the judge. That's why I keep on saying I feel like the judge is like an XRP lawyer. All right, now the SEC. One sec, guys. Let me just. So, the SEC right now is claiming if Ripple got legal advice. Oh, I already mentioned that point that I said. Seems to say seeking legal opinion does not necessarily reveal Ripe's state of mind. Oh, now the judge cites SEC's legal president is a bad ruling by the judge, paraphrasing. Now the SEC is citing previous cases. It's not only what the government tells you, but also what experts tell you. Confusion. Should not be a valid defense for Ripple. The judge interrupted and now speaking. Alright, as we get the judge talking right now, I'm writing some notes, but I also want to let you guys know, if you guys could please like the stream. I want to get 1,000 likes, and we're only a few hundred likes away. Hit that like button, guys. Do your part. Let's get this live stream to the #1 live stream for XRP. Also, please subscribe to my channel. We're very close to 3,000 subscribers. Only like a few hundred away. So let's please hit that subscribe button, guys. Do your part so that you guys can also get the latest XRP news. Make sure you guys also go ahead, follow my Twitter down below, and join my Patreon if you guys would like to get the latest, an exclusive one video a week. But make sure you guys do this, guys. Super Chat is working now. Thank God. I didn't think it would be working, but it works now. Let's go back, jump right into what the SEC is saying. What the judge is now currently talking. Judge is asking, why do you need the additional interference? And she's asking, why is the deeper assessment critical to your ability to defend against the defense? So, the SEC is repeating a lot, guys. By the way, there's so much repetition from the SEC lawyer, it is a borderline offensive. It is borderline offensive. As if the judge is not getting it. She is too smart not to get it. This judge is exceedingly patient and merciful. And again, interruption number 5. Back and forth, guys, between SEC and the judge. The judge now is questioning to the SEC. You say that Ripple is a market participant, right? And the market participants' opinion are important. And so Ripple thinking should be important. That's the judge. Guys. Are you sure this is not an XRP lawyer? I'm joking. This is actually the judge, guys. I'm very impressed. Judge also saying if you already have access to the memos in question, you know what happened and what Ripple did. Why do you need further access to attorney-client privileges? Yo, I gotta take a sip of the pop right here, man. Woo, this is intense. Alright, guys. I'm drinking so much pop, guys. If you guys want to help support, pay for my pop and my coffee, I definitely need some of that. This is going to be a long call, guys. Wow, this is an intense call, guys. And we're only 60 likes away from 1,000. Let's go. How many subs? I wonder how many subs. Well, again, guys, I'm reading some notes here. And I'm listening as they go ahead and speak. Yo, only like a few hundred subscribers away from 3,000. Like, you guys could definitely help me out if you guys subscribe. But let's go back, guys. Let's finish up these notes. All right. She interrupted him and said we lost you for the last 4 seconds. Ooh, it's kind of funny what's going on. Okay. Judge just said that that's someone's opinion. XRP community, guys, is the best, honestly. We are like the best. Still, the SEC lawyer is really trying to, fight out this. The SEC is saying, because Your Honor, because of fair notice argument. Again. The judge cites the SEC's legal precedent is a bad ruling by the judge, paraphrasing. And he said, well, I think I already mentioned that note. Okay, yeah, here's my latest one, guys. So the judge so far seems to recognize cases referenced by the SEC had regulatory clarity as compared to the case with Ripple, which actually doesn't have any regulatory clarity. Now, the judge is still asking SEC to explain their position to see legal communication. SEC says if Ripple weren't confused, why does it matter if we, the SEC, was confused? Again, this is only a back and forth, guys, right now between the SEC and the judge. There's no Ripple right now. All right, now the judge is talking. She has 2 questions for the SEC, and then Ripple will finally talk because Ripple didn't even get a chance to speak once. All right. She's now asking him 2 questions. So far, guys, I think we have the best lawyer in town. The judge. All right. He's answering the first question. All right. Now the SEC... Ripple is now recalling some advice because it was helpful to them. Facts need to come out, and everybody, including Ripple, will be happy, is what the SEC is saying. I think they're trying to go ahead and, Okay. He's saying the discovery is almost done, so we want to try and get as much results as soon as possible as we can. Rather than having to wait for the judge to make a decision later, he'd rather one as soon as possible. Alright, guys. Oh, whoops, I hit my microphone. Thank you guys all for the super chats, guys. I definitely appreciate it. We're only like 20 likes away from 1,000. Oh, interruption. I think this is like the 6th or 7th interruption now. 6th or 7th interruption. This is shocking. Alright, guys, let's get 1,000 likes, only 20 likes away. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys all for the super chats. Appreciate it. All right, they're trying to... Oh, wow. The SEC is now saying that they also want to fasten up the pace because they believe that the Ripple wants to get like results as soon as possible because the SEC knows that Ripple is just trying to finish the lawsuit, right? Because they believe that they're going to win. So they're saying that, I guess, there's no point in us delaying it if Ripple already wants to get the results as soon as possible, so we'll just go with whatever Ripple wants. In terms of, if Ripple wants the results to be put out as soon as possible, then if Ripple wants the judge to say the results as soon as possible, then the SEC doesn't care and would accept that. And if Ripple wants to delay until after the motion to strike, then they wouldn't mind waiting. Guys, thank you guys for 1,000 likes. We are almost, guys, at 3,000 subscribers. So if we can get if we can get only 500 subscribers away, guys. If we can get 500 subscribers, there's 1,500 people in the live stream. It would do amazing. But let's you know what? Let's hear what they have to say now. Is he still speaking? All right. SEC just ended off. So now, basically, just a little summary of what the SEC, what they were talking about. The SEC wants to have access to legal communication from Ripple and their attorney to prove the case for the SEC. It appears the SEC is saying that I can prove Ripple's lying if you just let me see their legal communication. Oh wow. Okay, so now they're saying that, there's normally supposed to be a break in between. But Ripple's saying that they don't need a break. It's fine. They'll speak fast as soon as possible. All right. Now Ripple's going to talk. Just getting my phone charger, guys. Nope. Oh, Ripple said Judge said thank you. By accident, they keep speaking at the same time. It's a nice thing that it's very broad. The documents that the SEC wants, and you're talking 8 years worth of documents. Now, the SEC, I'm just going to go over some notes that I ended up missing. So the SEC spoke about why do we need more information because they choose what facts are good and discard the bad. But now, in terms of as of this moment, the Ripple speaking. By the way, guys, XRP is trending on Twitter, just to drop that in while I finish up some of these notes. This is just audio quality is breaking up a bit. All right. Some people have their mics open, and so this is why it's kind of making the audio weird. So she just asked if everybody could go ahead and actually like mute their mics if they if they turn on. Okay, I just finished up my notes, guys. So it says Ripple obviously just started talking, and what Ripple's saying is Ripple has not waived its client attorney privileges. The SEC is asking for a very broad waiver, right? So they're asking all of the documents. Ripple has never mentioned the memo in the lawsuit, so why would the SEC want the memos if Ripple never mentioned them? The SEC is the one bringing it up based on a previous case, which client attorney privileges should be kept. Right? Does not make sense? It does. I believe that. Why would you bring something in that wasn't even mentioned? It was something that wasn't part of the lawsuit. Why are you trying to bring it into the lawsuit? All right, he's saying that. The court reporters are constantly, discussing, have their mics open, right? So it's kind of reading the audio a bit here, but now everything is back to normal. Yeah. Ripple right now is also continuing on by saying, it doesn't really matter if our attorney told us it was a security or not, right? Nothing of this matters to determine whether XRP truly is a security or not. Talking about vagueness, defenses in the Upton case. So, he's also including another case. He's trying to reference another case. It was a 2002 case. 2002 case from 2002 that he's trying to reference. And he's Ripple guy's saying it matches very closely, so I believe it's important. And he's also now replying to. Now he's saying that they're replying to what the SEC argued. And in this case, guys, I do believe he's stating some very good points. So I truly believe that they're doing well in this discovery hearing. I also don't see any interruptions happening like the SEC with the judge, where the judge was interrupted him where the judge interrupted the SEC over 7 times. In this, we see 0 interruptions. So it does, in my opinion, look very good in terms for the Ripple at this point in time. And again, this is really good for us, all XRP holders right now. Now the SEC is saying, why do we need more information? Oh no, this was one of my old notes. Okay, so now Ripple's obviously responding, and they're citing the cases that support their arguments and their defense. Let's go back here and have a look. Okay, so he's saying that Ripple, now they're addressing more points for the SRC, in which one argument he's saying, so he's saying that the SEC's argument is that what they're arguing, okay, never mind. Okay, so he's saying that that the SEC's, one of our SEC's arguments is that Ripple's state of mind, and he's saying that it doesn't really make any sense, and that he's not even going to argue, he's not going to put some points to defend it because it just doesn't make, it's not a logical question that makes any sense. So it's not something that he could even defend on because it doesn't make sense. Yeah, he's saying so. Ripple's state of mind is not enough to create a waiver. And that the ultimate question is objective and not subjective. He's also saying that the SEC said that they're being inconsistent. All right, and now the Ripple saying that they will not argue it. That point where basically the state of mind, since it was not in their letter, but what they will give a citation to allow review. So again, this just kind of proves that Ripple's not scared, right? Ripple knows what they're. Otherwise, it would argue, and said we're not giving it to them. Why do they need the papers? We're not giving it to them. But they know, and again. Like this guy said, if there is, it says whatever in the papers that the lawyer said there's confusion in the matter, we've won the case. It's over. Now, Ripple saying that Ripple saying that advice received from a lawyer is not subjective to a fair notice defense. Ripple is a market participant. They're also saying that their communications, internal/externals, are relevant. Again, some very good points. Again, zero interruptions throughout this whole entire speech. He's speaking, the lawyer's listening. We can clearly see the difference from this chat and the previous one where it was very commonly interrupted. We've seen over 7 interruptions. In this case, we've seen 0 interruptions. Currently, guys, it is looking very positive for Ripple in the whole lawsuit. It looks very good in the discovery hearing. Everything looks to be positive. I do believe that we are going to come out, successful in this discovery hearing. Alright guys, I'm also going to take a quick pause here as I'm finishing up some notes. I want to let you guys know, please subscribe to my channel. We're only a few hundred subscribers away from 3,000. So if we can get everybody in the chat to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please, it would definitely help me out. Like the stream as well, guys. Please like the stream. Let's get to 1,100 likes, which is only 30 likes away. Again, subscribe to my channel. Comment your thoughts. Share the live stream. Follow me on Twitter and check out my Patreon. Okay, let's go back, guys. Okay. So, other than some noises of people that were unmuted, the Ripple attorney is making a clear case thus far. No repeating points and a congent flow of thoughts. So again, he's not stuttering. He's very firmly, calmly mentioning his points, and again, his points do make some sense. Now the judge has asked the Ripple lawyer for some questions, a question, and he is replying. All right. Now the Ripple lawyer again is speaking. All right. So now the Ripple lawyer mentioned, there was a mention. He said, we have given internal documents even though we have not been given discovery. They are both relevant but not at issue. Therefore, no waivers have been given. We do not have a good faith defense. Therefore, Chipotle is not relevant. Again, that's actually a great point. There's no clarity in this SEC vs. Ripple case. There's zero clarity. While in multiple other cases that were mentioned, there were clarity. Again, now the SEC saying that the Ripple saying that nobody knew what the law required. So how are they supposed to know if nobody knew what the law required? What were the requirements to be security? What were the requirements to be, to not be a security? There were no straightforward requirements. There was no clarity in this case. Again, guys, let's get some likes here. Let's get 1,100 likes. Only 3 likes away. And in terms of subscribers, guys, if we could get everybody in the stream right now to subscribe, we are like 60 subscribers away from 2,600. It would just be like amazing. As well, guys, follow my Twitter and check out my Patreon. Super chats are not working, guys. Let's go back. Okay, we did get another mention here from the SEC judge, or from the judge. Oh, Ripple, the judge now just said, please address the SEC arguments about having individual defendants with the same defense. Ripple now is speaking. Okay, look, so Ripple now speaking, Ripple now says, I cannot speak for them directly, but agree that the SEC cannot prove lack of intent and has a burden to show recklessness, but would not be a good faith defense. Again, that makes perfect sense. You cannot judge and win a discovery by saying that, oh, he intended, or in his mind we knew, or he knew in his head. How are you supposed to do that? Again, he is stating some very good points. So now the SEC lawyer, the Ripple lawyer is talking about a letter that was sent that he believes doesn't make any sense, and he said he's asking the judge to put that aside since they weren't even given enough time to read it or respond to it. And he also says that he believes that it doesn't make any sense. Ripple also continues on by saying, by Exxon, Ripple also says that Exxon case is more of a good faith case, not applicable to Upton. Upton states some of the other cases and how they are not applicable to this case. Now she's asking him to respond to the arguments that were made by the SEC for the lawyers that mentioned that XRP, there isn't really any clarity in what XRP is, because Ripple basically asked a few lawyers what they thought of XRP previously. Oh man, I need some of this pop. My throat's getting dry. If you guys want to help pay through the Coca-Cola, because I'm drinking some weird Coca-Cola raspberry taste. Definitely very good. Not sponsored by them. Super chat is there. Alright. So now he's saying that he doesn't even understand what it would show to be, like, what if SEC, the argument that SEC mentioned in terms of they want the papers of what the lawyer stated, what would that even show? Because it doesn't really matter what the lawyers that the Ripple asked. Doesn't really matter. Because it's number one, it's only one person. It's only one lawyer. and because there isn't a legal like a official legal clarity. Okay, now the judge is speaking. Ripple's asking the judge to disregard other letters since it has not been fully briefed. Somebody interrupted the judge. Nobody knows who that is. Somebody has their microphone unmuted in the whole thing. Somebody has their microphone unmuted and is disrupting the judge from speaking. Not from Ripple's side, though. All right. So, okay, so now he's saying even if they don't disclose some things to the public, they don't like let the public know some things. It doesn't matter because it's fit. He used the word that I don't remember exactly. Whoops! Oh my god! Yeah, my bad. Ripple lawyer, he's saying, talks about the uncertainty defense in the Upton case. Ripple saying the privileged communications are relevant, but that in itself does not create a doubt. No notice in this case was given to Ripple on this case. The SEC revealed it. Ripple lawyer also talks about the uncertainty defense in the Upton case. All right. Okay, so now I think okay, Ripple lawyer just finished answering 2 of the questions that were asked by the judge. Okay, now the judge is asking, does Ripple have any further questions? Judge challenges Ripple to explain if they were holding information back while making markets fair. Paraphrasing, Ripple's responding. Yeah, but now in this case, exact time, Ripple is done responding. Guys, right now, if I were to look back, I truly believe, or if I were to look at an overview, in my opinion, Ripple is winning the case. Ripple believes, again. The judge, I also feel as well, is siding with Ripple. She understands both points. I believe that we are winning right now, guys. So, hashtag XRP in the chat, guys. Type hashtag XRP. Let's get, guys, 1,500 likes because we are winning. Hashtag XRP in the chat, guys. Hashtag XRP in the chat. We are about to win this discovery hearing. Again, like the stream, guys. Right now, let's get 1,200 likes, so only 60 more likes. Let's also get, guys, 3,000 subscribers. So if everybody could do their part by clicking that subscribe button, we are only like 40 subscribers away from 2.6K. So again, hashtag XRP Army. Like the stream, subscribe, guys. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay. Now we're getting a SEC reply. He's saying that Ripple's first statement is not true. And he said, though, he's not going to quote right now. It's kind of weird. Why wouldn't you quote what's not true? But So now the SEC is saying that Ripple can't go ahead and say that You guys can't use what we thought. So now the SEC is also asking if they could submit some more information in writing. Though he'll try and explain some right now, but he also wants to submit information in writing. Okay. All right. All right. There's ST still replying. Uh-huh. All right, interrupted again, guys. Interruption. Ripple lawyers talk. Again, another interruption. This is shows you guys. And a reporter now just mentioned that he cut out for about a minute, so he has to repeat. SEC now is also saying that Ripple legal advice has put it at issue. Ripple says it doesn't matter whether we knew. Then they should withdraw their defense. Guys. Again, we did see another interruption, so that's about the 8th interruption. So, Ripple goes right to the attack. Ripple goes right to attacking the SEC. This was previously, but this is a note that I ended up missing. Ripple goes right to attacking the SEC for claiming, if you show us Ripple's legal communication and we can prove Ripple was wrong, paraphrasing, Ripple says, Your Honor, this is not enough for revealing attorney-client privileges. All right. All right. So, SEC saying they're not arguing that the documents are relevant. They're saying that they're arguing the documents are relevant to the Ripple's defense. That's why they want them. All right. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Well, he's still going. Okay, I thought for a second he was going to end his point off there. The SEC is also continuing now by saying, I think the court process needs a reset to what is wrong or right. Not every case that may or may not apply and argue of results of other cases. Uh-huh. Okay, that's what SEC said. SEC lawyer seems angry and frustrated. I can sense by his audio. He definitely seems mad. So, SEC is also saying that when the judge asked Ripple, did you guys influence the market? They're not properly answering. That's what he said. Guys, it definitely looks very positive. We are so close to 2,000 likes. If we can get 1,200 likes, we only need a few more likes. If you are in this live stream right now, click that like button. 1,650 people are in this live. If you guys all could go ahead if you guys all could go ahead and subscribe to my channel, we would hit 3,000 subscribers. Now, the SEC has now just finished this point. So we get a question, who keeps interrupting the SEC? Is it Ripple or the attorney? The judge keeps on interrupting the SEC. All right, let's listen to what the judges say. Okay, she's going to try and get something out in writing as soon as possible. That's what the judge said. Just to make it clear, guys, it is the judge interrupting. Oh, they granted, guys. Okay, so I think they're going to... Friday. Okay, so the judge thought... Oh, okay, guys, this is huge. Okay, guys, this is just huge. Oh, my God. Okay. Let's just quickly go over this. I'm just going to finish up here. Okay, so we're going to get a reply. The judge decided and said that, okay, I'm not going to be able to give you guys an answer right now. And that I'll reply, and I'll give you guys a reply as soon as I can. I can't give you guys an exact time. But what did Ripple actually end up saying? The Ripple guy just came out and said, well, can we please get the reply on Friday? Okay. Today is... Or Friday, yeah, earlier today, I think today's Friday, guys. So he just asked, can we get the reply on Friday? And she said, yes, we're going to grant you it on Friday. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Let's go! Who's hyped? Let's get hashtag win in the chat. Let's get hashtag win in the chat, yo, guys. I'm so freaking hyped. Yes, it has now finished, guys. Hashtag win in the chat. If we can get everybody to like the live stream now, if we can get everybody to subscribe, let's hit 3,000 subscribers to just, celebrate this amazing win for XRP. I do believe that there's going to be a win. 2.6K. Let's go. Thank you guys all so much, guys. Again, go right now. Follow my Patreon right now, guys. Follow my Patreon. Follow my Patreon. It's linked down below. Or follow my Twitter down below. Join the Patreon. That is also down below. And if you guys could and want to support the live stream, because again, I put so much time into doing these live streams and so much time into making these videos. If you guys could just support the channel by donating using Super Chat, it would definitely help me out. This is just fantastic. I'm so hyped and excited. Again, we'll go over some of these very important notes that were mentioned as well, in which the judge says she will review everything and get back to the response as soon as possible. And then obviously we did get the interruption. Ripple interrupted the judge and asked if they could actually, get some wording out Friday. SEC also said at closer to the end, where the SEC actually said a lot of reasons why state of mind is relevant, reinstating a lot of things. That's what the SEC ended up saying. We also get another really good point right here that was said in terms of Ripple, because the SEC was arguing that, the state of mind really mattered. What Ripple replied with was, it doesn't matter. Whether the state of mind, whether our state of mind was, whether our state of mind actually represented or meant something, doesn't really matter, because that's not what we said. And they also ended up saying that our wording can be, if you were to take exact wording, it would really not influence I think I said this wrong. You are supposed to take our wording only. You shouldn't be taking what we thought or what is in our mind, because you guys can't read our mind. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Everybody, thank you so much. Again, if you guys could definitely subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 1.6K subs. I love everybody that is in the chat. And if you guys could go ahead, support the channel. Super Chat is an option as well, guys. If I do post exclusive for only the XRP Army guys, daily, one video a week on my Patreon. That's obviously other than my daily uploads on the YouTube Crypto Geek channel. You guys can join that by clicking the comment section down below. Okay, let's read some of your thoughts, guys. Let's read some of your thoughts. Let's read some of your thoughts, guys. Okay, so he's okay. I can do the same. And won't. Okay, let's read some of what they said. What happened? Who won? So in this case, guys, I truly believe that the SEC took a big hit in this case. they took a gigantic hit in this case because, oh my God, is it a black screen now? Because we've seen the judge side with Ripple in multiple times. We've seen him judge. We've seen that the SEC was interrupted by the judge several times. We also seen that the judge was kind of siding with Ripple, and at some point, we actually felt that the judge was acting as if he was, or as if she was the Ripple lawyer, because she mentioned a lot of good points that, that the Ripple lawyer wasn't able to mention. The judges obviously ended off also by saying the judge is going to all of the arguments under advisement. And obviously, Ripple goes to the right, and this was close to the end. When Ripple got a chance to speak, Ripple went right into the attacking the SEC for all the claims that they mentioned. They went through everything point by point, mentioning exactly they mentioned exactly everything that was going on. They stated that, dear judge, in this case, in this point, Ripple was incorrect, or SEC was incorrect. They can't be judging based on what we thought. They can't be deciding. They can't ask for information that wasn't mentioned. And again, this whole lawsuit, there is no win until there's a decision. Okay, guys, so to be exact, there isn't a decision yet. But by listening to both arguments, I definitely will have to say Ripple definitely did do very well. It was very clear. The argument for Ripple was very clear. It was, again, precise, very calmly and firmly mentioned. Both, even at some points, again, guys, Ripple rebutted by saying that judge, some information that that the SEC is asking for was not mentioned in the entire lawsuit. So how could you be bringing in something that isn't mentioned in the lawsuit back? How can you bring something that wasn't mentioned in the lawsuit into the lawsuit? What happened? There was an SEC versus Ripple discovery hearing, and in that discovery hearing, we ended up going ahead and hearing both points for Ripple and the SEC, and we were able to actually go ahead and get a decision, but the decision was actually delayed. So the official decision is Friday. Do you think there's going to be a dump? No, I don't believe. Right now it's going down, which is normal. Again, if we were to go back, let's have a look here. Everything just crashed. Everything literally crashed. So, doesn't really matter, right? So, I believe that we're going to, okay. So, currently, just to go ahead and reflect, we had a look, and actually I discussed this previously. Bitcoin, most of the other cryptocurrencies follow Bitcoin trends, including XRP is not something different. XRP follows Bitcoin trends, right? Follows Bitcoin trends. Now, we will not see this. Oh, yo, did you guys freaking see this pump? What did I tell you guys? Freaking pump. Oh my God, it went down. Did you guys freaking see that pump, boys? Did you guys freaking see that pump? Oh my God, and this is what we were talking about. It just flew to 130 and now back down. This is what we were talking about. Yo, guys, I don't know if you guys seen that. But this is what we're talking about. We are going to see whales come in, buy, and then obviously it's going to pump the price back up. This is a perfect time to get into the dip. I'm not a financial advisor though, but I'm going to tell you guys, somebody bought into the dip right now. When is the decision? So the official decision is going to be Friday. If you guys aren't subscribing, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. The final decision will be released on Friday. Thank you for this live stream. I definitely appreciate it. Again, guys, we are going to hit very close to 3,000 subscribers. If we can get everybody in this live stream to hit that subscribe button, we are very close to 3,000 subscribers. It would do absolutely amazing if everybody in the stream right now could hit that subscribe button, could like the video, and follow me on Twitter. I will be releasing a video today, actually. There will be a video today, guys, telling you guys in more detail, summarizing exactly what happened in the lawsuit, summarizing the final decision, and again, telling you guys what's going on, when it's going to be released, when are we officially going to get a statement. We will see, obviously, all that happen. I'm going to be talking about that. So if you guys want to see that video where, again, I go over all the points we discuss who is going to win, when the official release statement's going to be out. Then I would go ahead and subscribe. All right, guys, I am freaking excited today. Yo, which Friday? So I think it's this later today or next week. There wasn't an exact. They didn't say May. All I heard was on Friday. Are we screwed? No, we are not. So just to go back to the point here, why is XRP down? Right? Why is XRP down? Well, XRP is down for a few reasons. XRP right now is following Bitcoin patterns, and this is what I was talking about. Bitcoin went down significantly. You can even tell, guys, by this little thingy. Look at this. Right? This just shows you guys, and look at all of them. They're exactly the same. The second Bitcoin starts to regain, XRP will regain. So right now, we're not going down because of XRP. We're going down because the cryptocurrency market as a whole is taking a hit. You're talking about ADA was at $2.50, is now at $1.49. XRP was at $150, now at $99. Bitcoin was at $65,000, and now it's at $35. So this is something perfectly normal. And the only time that I believe we will see the difference happen is once XRP versus SEC lawsuit is complete and we do see either a settlement or a win. And then once that happens, I do believe XRP will separate from Bitcoin and then XRP will start to boom. And that way, even if Bitcoin crashes to whatever it is, it will have little impact on XRP. And again, it's kind of rebuilt. It went back, kind of coming back up. I don't believe it's going to stay under $1 for too long. I definitely think it will hit $1. Like, it will make its way back up to $1.50 very shortly. But right now, it's getting rid of all of the weak hands. If you have diamond hands, you are not scared. Lots of things happening this week. Taxes. Okay, let's speak over the taxes, guys. By the way, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Please subscribe. Started bear market? No, it didn't. We're still in the bull market. Okay, so people are now asking, what about the taxes? Why are people scared of taxes? Why are people scared of taxes? Doesn't taxes on the cryptocurrency market mean that cryptocurrency is going mainstream? Right? So why are people sad? Remember, if America wanted to ban cryptocurrencies, what would they do? Would they put tax on it? No, they would just ban it. Simply say you're not allowed to buy anything with cryptocurrency. But clearly, they want cryptocurrency. They understand that cryptocurrency is going to be something major and that they won't be able to control it. So they're trying to regulate it through putting taxes. Once taxes come in, now you know it's going mainstream. And on top of that, guys, you're going to start being able to buy things with your cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is going to be like anything else. It's going to be like you go into an ATM machine, boom, you swipe it, and you'll see multiple ATM machines everywhere. So I really like the fact that, you know, there's taxes. Because that's it, now we know we're mainstream. Everybody's asking who won. Guys, I believe the SEC is losing. I truly believe the SEC is that's it. We're going to win the lawsuit, XRP versus Ripple, and I do believe either two things are going to happen. Either we're going to see a settlement for XRP versus Ripple, or Ripple versus SEC, or we're going to see Ripple win the lawsuit. I kind of am more shifting towards, you know, where the fact that, you know, Ripple is going to be back and that Ripple's going to settle with SEC. Okay. I am shifting towards, you know, Ripple settling with this. Yo, and let's see this, guys. We did just see it hit. I just seen it, guys, hit $1 and something. So, again, we did see it. We're seeing it come back. It's just right now taking a hit from the whole crypto market. Again, once we see the Bitcoin market kind of recover, we will see it recover even more significant. We're going to see it boom. Not only are we going to see a recovery because of this, but we'll also see a pump in the price because of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. And again, this has just been a very exciting live stream, guys. Judge basically siding with XRP. This is just a show. I told you guys this in the live stream. I told you guys it looks like the judge is actually an XRP lawyer because she was literally debating with SEC and telling them, okay, this doesn't make sense. Why should we? Oh, that point of yours? No, I can't include that because it's not relatable. Buy the dip, people are saying. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you guys financial advice. But yeah, tax is fine. Absolute robbery isn't. Exactly. But tax, for me, for example, if you're getting taxed, it's kind of proves at the same time, guys, that, you know, this is getting 100% normal. Alright, guys, let's go into this. We are so, guys, close to 3,000 subscribers. It is mind-boggling. And it's surprising, this is only 2 weeks, guys. If we can get 50 people to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, it would be fantastic. I bought the bucket. Thank you, Dusty. I'm not Dusty. Change the battery in your smoke alarm. Man, everybody's been commenting that. I'm going to change it just for you guys, alright? I'm going to change it just for you guys. But at the end of the day, guys, let's have a look, go back. Are we going to see, is this price reflecting the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit? I don't think so. I think this is just a crypto market dump. Is this a bear market? No, we are still very bullish. We did have some people that influenced the market. Elon Musk. We did see this start to happen. And it's very sad to see that now we have people manipulating the market. But once we get all of these weak hands out of the market, we are going to see a boom in the market. That's it. There's going to be no more selling. It's going to become green again. For XRP, this is the best part about XRP. I can't wait for the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit because I can't wait for the day Ripple breaks away from Bitcoin. Once Ripple breaks away from Bitcoin, that is when we will actually be able to see Ripple's price boom. Otherwise, again, every time Bitcoin goes down, even if Ripple is trying to push, every time Bitcoin goes down, it's going to go down with it. But once we see the Ripple versus C lawsuit completed, Ripple breaks away from Bitcoin patterns, the whole market could be red, Ripple will be green. And this is why I'm very, very, very pro XRP. I am rolling with it no matter what. My hands are past diamond hands. So that's why I'm talking, guys. I definitely do a ton of research, and this is why, again, I always love to post on my channel. Is it going to be this Friday or next Friday? It wasn't really clear which Friday it was going to be in, but I will be uploading it in my upcoming video, guys. It wasn't clear. I couldn't catch whether they said this Friday or next Friday, but they did mention Friday. I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to be letting you guys know, do an overview of what happened in the SEC vs. Ripple discovery hearing. So if you missed it and you just came in, I'm going to be doing an overview of what happened in the SEC vs. Ripple hearing. I'm going to be answering what they talked about, answering when we get the announcement, when are we going to get the announcement, which Friday, all that stuff on my channel in a video that's coming out today. So if we can get this, if we can get everybody that's in the stream to subscribe, scale up, when is the hearing? The hearing already has happened. But again, I'm going to be getting all the points. I'm going to be doing a video and discussing all of that, guys, in today's video. So hit that subscribe button. We are very close to 2,700 subscribers. If we can get only 40 people, guys, to subscribe. Decision today or next week. They weren't really clear. What's the news? Bad or good? So the news is actually, in my opinion, I feel like it's good. But there won't be an official decision for who won until we get an official letter that comes out. That mentions who won. Good job, man. Best Ripple hearing live stream out of 3. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it, Fido. Sec was toasted by Netburn, I swear. Nice timing. I have. The hearing was bullish. Very bullish, guys. You could tell if you were in this hearing with me. I spoke about, and I mentioned it multiple times, it was as if the judge was an actual XRP Ripple lawyer. Because she was she was like investigating the whole case. It's going to be Friday next week. They all need time to prepare the hearing. That's right. What is the result? The result is not released yet. They did give us a date, though, for when the results would come out. So, again, I'll be talking and discussing all that in today's video that will be uploaded in the next few hours. There's no result yet for everybody that's asking. There is no result yet. There is no result yet. I will be answering you guys all of your questions in today's video, and this is why I'm asking you guys to subscribe. The judge was annoyed. The judge interrupted the SEC lawyer over 7 times, and this kind of just proves to you guys. That the judge really didn't like some of the arguments, and she constantly told them, okay, that doesn't make sense. She told the SEC that doesn't make sense. That wasn't the point that can be used. Doesn't that click? Okay, guys. Now, actually, just to quickly go over this, go over something. Okay, let's read some. Oh, Rosie Rio. If you guys don't know who this is the U.S. Treasury. Actually, I'm gonna play a very important clip here for you guys about what Rosie Rios Had to say, if you're not following my Twitter, follow my Twitter. Look at what Rosie Rios, and if you don't know who Rosie Rios is, she's actually the U.S. Treasury. A former U.S. Treasury that is now with the Ripple team. Look at what she has to say. Okay, listen to this very deeply.
What do you think about cryptocurrency as a form of currency?
Well, I think the train's already left the station in terms of cryptocurrency. You may or may not know that I just joined the board of Ripple, and the reason why I chose to join that board, it's, in my opinion, one of the few cryptocurrency options out there that has a credible and legitimate use. So financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments.
What do you think?
Again, that is huge. You know what that means? That means she believes there's utility. And remember, she's not somebody that's just random that they got out of the street, right? That doesn't know what they're talking about. She is the former U.S. Treasury. Who is the former U.S. Treasury? Right? The former U.S. Treasury is the person that kind of does research about the currency. And at the same time, she has signed the previous she has signed the $100 note. What does that mean? Does that mean she doesn't know what a currency is and what a security is? She does. Right? She's not somebody that's not knowledgeable. She clearly knows. And she decided to go into a company that's getting sued by the SEC, right? That supposedly is going to lose the lawsuit. Why would somebody with this much knowledge that used to work with the government go into a company that's about to lose and end it and they're about to crash? Why? Doesn't that kind of like make you think a little bit? To me, it makes me feel like, you know what this means? This means that XRP, two things are going to happen. Either we're going to see a lawsuit, a settlement, I mean, or Ripple's going to win the lawsuit. There's no other option. There's no like, okay, yeah, Ripple's going to lose. This is not even in my head anymore. Once you see somebody with this much information, with this much knowledge, go and join a Ripple board of directors that used to work with the government, kind of clicks in my head. Not only that, guys, we did get the feds put out, in a video where they went ahead and actually discussed that they're going to be putting out a crypto bank. It's going to be coming out. And when did they say? They said in June, right? What is supposed to be happening in June? So we actually got news that if there's going to be a settlement, it's going to be in 2 to 3 weeks, right? 2 to 3 weeks. And they decided to delay it in June. Doesn't that kind of make sense, right? Couldn't there be... This is just some theoretical things. What happens if there's a settlement in the next 2 to 3 weeks? Right? We also get the U.S. Treasury. She's in the case, right? I can only imagine that there's a chance that what the feds are talking about, because they're talking about they're going to use a stable currency, they're talking about XRP. And actually, XRP showed us the Brad Garlinghouse mentioned this, how he can solve the stablecoin problem in one of his videos. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, guys. We are so close to getting almost 3,000 subscribers. Only a few of you guys left. It would definitely help me out, and I would definitely appreciate if everybody in the live stream could subscribe. Calm down. Oh my god, guys. I know I'm right now speaking so fast because I'm freaking excited. This is an exciting time for all XRP holders. Bro, talk about the on-demand liquidity. Yeah, that is actually huge. That is actually huge. And we actually just got news. Somebody said Jeremy Hogan's tweeted today was a good day. Other than cryptocurrency prices, today was a good day. Exactly what I was talking about. Today was definitely a great day, not just a good day, guys. That is crazy. And again, this kind of proves to us, right? Who is this guy? This is an attorney. This is a lawyer. He knows what he's talking about. He listened to both sides, and now he's gonna shortly, obviously, make a video about it. But he said it's a good day. So if a lawyer says it's a good day, if everybody in the crypto market says it's a good day, then it's a good day. All that we're waiting for. Oh, and look at that, guys. We see the rebound. $1 right there back. All that we're waiting for is Brad Garlinghouse to say, it's an amazing day. That's all that's left. And I wouldn't be shocked if he even says that. Oh, man. Today was an exciting day. If you guys believed today was a fantastic day, let's get hashtag XRP in the chat, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. If we get... Man, I'm so excited. We are about to hit a milestone. Thank you guys all very, very much. We are only 10 subscribers away from 2,700. And how many are there in the chat? There are 800 of us. Brad is a good man, yeah, guys. Probably next Friday. Hashtag XRP. Hashtag XRP. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the live stream. I love how things turned out to be. Yeah, me too. Honestly, it was just an amazing day for everybody, for XRP. I definitely am very bullish about XRP. You must be Dusty. I'm not Dusty. I'm definitely very bullish about XRP. I believe that we will see $10 in after the SEC versus Ripple lawsuits done. I believe we will see $10, and hopefully, decision will be which Friday. There still isn't. Well, there wasn't. I didn't hear which Friday they mentioned, but again, it will be in today's video that I upload. I'll be letting everybody know. I'll be going back tracing everything, looking at all points, kind of summarizing it to you guys for a video, telling you guys when the announcement is going to be coming out, and telling you guys again which side was doing very positive. Has been very bullish because XRP is bullish. I know, guys. XRP is just absolutely bullish. Oh, that's a relief. That is just a freaking fantastic relief. Guys, we are only 300 subs from 3,000. Oh my god. This is a crazy, crazy day. Hashtag Dusty in the chat. People are saying, I'm not Dusty. XRP. Let's have a look at some charts here. Let's have a look at some charts. I was actually looking previously, and I was actually discussing with another crypto person that I know here, and we were talking about the history of XRP. And what we noticed is the trends that we see now, where we see the crash and you see the up and down and all that stuff, and people panic. We've seen this all happen previously. The charts are repeating themselves. I wish I had opened it up now. Previously, I wish I had opened it up, but might be a bit late. But they are an exact repetition of what the history did. We've seen dips like this, and then one time we still didn't get close because previously we did see a spike at the time. We're still on that journey, and we do see that in the past. We were kind of up and down, all the way until we seen obviously the major V. A V is what we're talking about. So if you guys don't know what a V is, I'll just draw it out for you guys. So we've seen a thing like this, right, where XRP just crashed, right, and people panic, everybody sold, and then all of a sudden we've seen it go the total up. We've seen it just rebound like this. So imagine a crash and then whatever slight, and then boom, we just seen it skyrocket, and that's what we've seen. So it kind of looks like we might be heading to that downwards, in which we then obviously see you hit the V chart right here. Then we see the other upturn right here, and we see the V chart start to actually take action. So again, I do believe that we're going to see a crazy rebound in the near future. I believe that we will see XRP prices boom. And I do believe that if you are in it right now, you're going to be really happy once we do see that V. And on top of that, XRP gets accepted to all exchanges. Yeah, it is. It's coming back up. Exactly, guys. We're going back up. Currently at $1.12. $1.12. And now it's back down. But this is what we're talking about, guys. XRP is not done. XRP is going to pump. It's going to pump to the sky. And no matter what anybody right now is talking about, okay, let's go all the way here. XRP is about to pump to the sky. We've seen it hit 120. And now it went to 112, and now back at 99 cents. So again, very bullish about XRP. The price definitely is going to reflect some very positive news once it comes out. I believe that we're going to see it skyrocket, and I think everybody should believe so too. I can't wait for the settlement to happen, where we'll then see all the exchanges accept XRP. We'll see all exchanges accept XRP. We'll see central banks accept XRP. We'll see all of XRP regain its contracts. We'll see a bunch of very bullish things happen. But again, everything is currently waiting on the settlement or some type of, winning of lawsuit. Guys, 2,700 subs right now. If we could hit 3,000 by the end of the live stream, that would just be mind-blowing. That would be amazing, guys. And I appreciate every single person that is in the live stream right now. You guys do not know how much I appreciate you guys. We're only 300 subs away from 3,000. So if everybody could do a bit of their part, like the stream, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter in the description below. I do have a Patreon as well. Hi. Sounds like Dusty? Everybody's been saying I sound like Dusty, bro. How do I sound like Dusty? You got to pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Alright, guys. What we'll do here, let's create, you know what? Let's do this, guys. When's the conference call? The conference call has already been done. The conference call actually finished a few minutes ago. I will be making a video, so that's why you guys should subscribe. Okay, guys, we're going to make our own hashtag. We're going to make an army for us, guys. Hashtag, I don't even know. Let's think. One second, guys. I'm going to be looking at the charts right here. Hashtag crypto. Oh, I was about to see. Okay. Hashtag. No. You know what? Let's see. I wonder if this is already taken. Geek Army, guys. We're going to call it Geek Army. Let's go. Hashtag Geek Army in the chat. If you are a subscriber, type hashtag Geek Army. I want to see all of Geek Army right now. Okay. Let's go. Geek Army. If you subscribe to my channel and have liked the stream, I want you guys to comment hashtag Geek Army. Okay, let's see this price though right here. Let's go back into the charts where we actually... Yo, what am I talking about here? What are we talking about here? Doesn't it look like it's about to go and do the V chart? Doesn't it look like about to go ahead and do the V chart and then rebound? That's what I'm talking about. That is exactly what we were talking about. Geek Army. Let's go. Thank you guys all. XRP Geek Army. Let's go. XRP Geek Army. Somebody said it doesn't look good in the charts. But look at this, guys. Isn't that following the exact chart that I just drew, guys? That everybody's talking about? Everybody said it's going to do a V. And it definitely looks where a V basically is when it goes all the way down. So we're talking about down here. And then all of a sudden we see it pump all the way up past its all-time high. Or not, but in this case it won't be. It's all-time high as in the 198, so the $2. This looks like it's doing it, guys. Or it could just, come back up and do, a major explosion. And this is what we've seen. We've seen it hit $1.20 earlier. Like I'm talking about 5 minutes ago. 120. It went from 98 to 120. It went then back to 112. Now it's 99.50. We'll see it. I believe we'll see it come back up again to that 120.30 range. Just the haters who hate XRP. XRP to the moon! Can you explain the V chart? Okay, so the V chart though, okay, let's have a look at this. This is, I think, a very big V chart, and I don't believe we'll hit lows of 150, so this is a bit different. But a V chart in which is where it goes down, and then we'll see a crazy pump. So it will go in like the form of a V. So if I can maybe hide some of these drawings, I'll show you guys what I mean. So this is what we're talking about. We believe, whoops. You know what, let me delete this drawing here. So I'm going to draw you guys a V chart. Like this, guys. So we'll see it trending this way. Okay? And then at a certain point in which people believe is going to be, some people say the 90 cents, it will pump back up. It will reflect. So if we can find, where's the 90 cents mark? This is the 80 cents mark. 90 cents, right here. So right here, whoops. Oh, where's the line? All right, here. So now what will happen is we'll see a V like this. So basically what's going to happen is at 80 cents, it's going to obviously go down, and at 80 cents it will just curve up like this. It will just out of nowhere spike up, and obviously it will make its way back up, and this time past its $2, which is previous, not really all-time high, but it's few months all-time high, to be more specific here. I do believe, though, we will skyrocket mostly once the SEC lawsuit is done, because that's what we're really relying on. I'll be picking up again at 60 cents. See you all in the winter. I don't think it's going to be 60 cents. I also didn't believe it's going to... What is up? How's it going, Fun Glide? We just finished off an SEC hearing. SEC vs. Ripple Discovery hearing. And it looks very bullish for XRP. Guys, so freaking close. We're only like 80 subscribers away from 2.8k. If we can get everybody in the live stream to go ahead and click that subscribe button, I'm going to play Pump It Up. I'm too hungover to tease. Okay. Yeah, bro. The SEC is really, right now, see, I think this is everybody's putting the blame right now on XRP, even though, let's just zoom out. The whole market's freaking red. Oh, $1.02. You guys see that? That's what I'm saying, though. There are whales freaking buying into XRP right now like no tomorrow. They are picking XRP up like crazy. And this is why I think XRP is all winners. Anybody that owns XRP is going to be a winner. The volume on it right now, 4.32. It's about to outbeat Binance. And look at Dogcoin. Meme coins, boys, are crashing. Oh, oh my God. I'm so freaking tired today. My voice is half gone. I'm so excited. There's this new flavor of Coca-Cola that tastes delicious. But, let's answer a few of your questions. I'll buy your gear. What is that supposed to mean? How much should we own? Everybody's different. You own what you want. Sell some XRP to buy your smoke detector batteries. John Deaton just summarized it. Okay, let's have a look at what John Deaton has to say. Well, let's zoom out here quickly. If you guys want to follow my Twitter page right here, guys. Crypto Geek News. All right, so we did get a nice summary from Johnny Deaton, which says, I'm sure Attorney Jeremy will sum up today's hearing in his usual near perfect manner. So he says, my position hasn't changed. There will be no real argument that Ripple shared the legal memos with third parties. Therefore, the SEC's argument is that because Ripple raised a fair notice. He actually said, okay, yeah, let's continue here. He continues. Defense. It placed its subjective and actual state of mind into evidence, and the SEC should get to see all the legal advice Ripple received in order to test or challenge the actual subjective state of mind. The SEC claims it allows the court to penetrate that privilege. The SEC says it would be unfair to not let them see the advice. The advice. The SEC's attorney brought up that because she ordered the SEC to turn over the SEC's internal memos and such. That it's only fair to order Ripple to turn over its legal advice. It was an uphill battle for George Tenniel. You could tell he was defensive and anxious after the judge challenged his position, but I personally believe Tenniel did a good job staying in the fight on this one and arguing effectively what he could. Regardless of what he says about me, I'm going to call it like I see it. He basically argued it was unfair. I believe the judge will not order Ripple to turn over the documents, which would be a win for us, by the way, guys. The fair notice defense is an objective defense, is based on what a reasonable person or market participant would believe based on the SEC's action and inaction. The SEC the SEC had no case law on point, just like Ripple had none with MOUs, and just as Judge Netburn ruled with the MOUs, the fact that the practice or privilege might be unfair to one side doesn't mean you get what you want. Again, very, very good points, but in summary, guys, he basically said he believes Ripple is going to kind of win this discovery hearing. And if we win this discovery hearing, I believe SEC will have 0 points towards XRP. Oh, we do see that $1 come back. Let's go. By the way, guys, if you guys could hit that subscribe button, Geek Army, let's get to 3,000 subscribers. It would definitely help me out. But again, a lot of whales in here, I know. Do you guys see this price fluctuation? And the crazy thing is, it is going up in a manner that is so fast. It's going up and down and up and down. Alright, guys, let's get 3,000 subscribers. If we can get, how many subs? 80 more subs, we'll hit 2,800. And there's enough people here. So if we could get, everybody in the chat to subscribe to my channel, the whole Geek Army to subscribe, we will get, obviously, the mark of 3,000. But again, the summary that he mentioned was huge. And again, that would be a win for us. But again, there's so much bullish news about XRP that I can't even imagine that whales don't want it. That's why whales want it, guys, because it's very freaking bullish. Down is up and down is up and down is up. I'm hitting subscribe now, man. Appreciate it so much, guys. We have whale here. Yeah, man. I own a chunk, but I'm telling you guys, people really love XRP. XRP is the only cryptocurrency that can actually make so many people millionaires. People that own very little can become a millionaire. So what is a whale? A whale is somebody that owns so much XRP. And that, like, so much XRP as in he could actually influence the market. Suppressing the asset, that's all. Getting there, buy up it. Okay, guys, also as well, to add on to that, I don't know if you guys seen Jeremy Hogan's speak, but, you know, one of the arguments that the SEC, or that kind of made the whole lawsuit, you know, come into existence, is SEC declaring XRP security or not? And this is what the whole lawsuit's about. What decides if something is a security or not? I think this is something a lot of people miss. Utility. If something has utility, then it's not a security. If something doesn't have utility, then it's a security. Look at what Jeremy Hogan has to say. When the XRP utility argument next comes up in court, the Ripple lawyer needs to call in from his Euclid XRP funded phone, and he has to say, Judge, I'll address utility now. Just a moment. Let me just add some more minutes to my call with a couple XRP here. This on its own proves that XRP has a utility. And again, look at this, guys. Look at this article. Adoption. Euclid users can now use XRP to pay for electricity, mobile top-ups, and more. People love XRP. XRP is now being able to be, you can actually pay with XRP now in multiple places. Isn't this huge news? Isn't this huge news? Yeah, man. Woo! Very intense. Very intense day for everybody. Nonetheless, guys, let's go ahead. If you're not subscribed to, if you're not part of the Geek Army, make sure you do join the Geek Army by hitting that subscribe button. We are so close to 2,800 subscribers. Hit that like button. Follow me on Twitter. Let's see this Twitter, bro. Let's see Twitter right now. Twitter is right here if you guys want to go ahead and drop a follow on my Twitter. I always update you guys on what is going on. At the same time, you can feel free to check out my Patreon. Very limited spots on my Patreon as well, guys. I made sure there's 100 spots limited, and I don't think there are many left. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what fluctuations are happening to XRP. Current price of XRP, 98.38. We did see it again pump up to 120. We see it pump up to 112. And now we see it back at 98. I do believe we will see the pump back again. So let's see what happens as we keep on proceeding. If you have any questions, drop them now inside the comment section below. Also, guys, I'm thinking of... Oh, we did get a price fluctuation right here. Oh, yo, 112? $1 right now? 112, $1. $1. Doesn't that tell you guys there's whales? Doesn't that tell you guys there's whales? Whales are freaking buying into XRP. Whales are buying into XRP. Whales love XRP. This on its own proves it, guys. Otherwise, you wouldn't see fluctuations like this and that significant. There are trolls on the chat. They hate XRP, but they want to keep commenting, watching the show because they know we're going to be big. Exactly. If you knew what is very little XRP, nothing is very little. Because remember this, XRP, the potential is unreal. For example here, XRP, if you own one XRP, people say it's going to reach $20. $20 one XRP. So if you have 100 XRP, times that by 20, amazing profit. So again, guys, if you're new to the XRP, to the Crypto Geek, to the Geek Army, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we're trying to grow, make this Crypto Geek Army 3,000 people. We are very close. We only need a few hundred more. That's just not normal. That's just freaking crazy. All right. Let's see. Let's see how many of you guys are currently in the Geek Army. I want everybody to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the Geek Army. Currently 2,745 Geek Army members are participating. what's happening with the lawsuit? We just actually did a SEC vs. Ripple discovery hearing. So that was quite good. Did they win? So there is no decision. The lawyer said the judge said they won't be deciding, and that's what will come out. Friday. They didn't specify this Friday. Next Friday, I'm going to do a bit more research to find you guys a date, and I'll make a video discussing that. But it's going to be coming out very soon on a Friday, and I'll make a video again discussing all of that things, everything. Lawsuit will settle soon. I believe there is personally going to be a settlement as well. Subscribe, y'all. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate you. Peace of mind. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so he says, do you think there's going to be a settlement? I believe it's going to be a settlement. And again, I believe that this whole discovery hearing and all the discovery hearings were done to try and, get some documents so that when they sit on the table with Ripple, because right now, SEC has 0 documents except MOUs, and those MOUs, Ripple also gets to see them. And the judge. So results on Friday, yeah. So I believe that right now, SEC is trying to get any documents so that when they go ahead and sit on the settlement table with Ripple, they can say, Ripple, we also have some documents as well here, so we want you to pay these fees. Now, if SEC doesn't have any documents, Ripple is going to be like, why would we pay you anything if we're going to win the lawsuit anyways and you don't have any evidence against us, right? But in this case, if the SEC has some documents, they can say, all right, we do have these documents, so we want you to pay this. And this is why I believe all of these discovery hearings are to just try and generate as much documents as they can. New subscriber from Philippines, appreciate it. What is Jeremy Hogan saying? You know what he's saying, guys? Jeremy Hogan is saying, number one, has utility, but most of all, look at what he said. He said, today was a good day. What does that mean? Today was a good day? That means they believe that XRP won and that we're going to get an announcement very shortly saying that XRP is in, won this discovery hearing and that no documents will be granted to the SEC. Same idea with Johnny Teton, which actually says that he believes Ripple is going to not need to send over any documents. And that, again, Ripple is going to win this discovery hearing. What does that mean for us? That means the price will increase significantly for us. That means we're going to be profiting. No, it has to be sooner. Guys, by the way, if you guys didn't hear this, XRP, or Jeremy Hogan's, Ripple, one of the attorneys for Ripple, well, he speaks. He's not really part of the Ripple team, but he does all of his, videos discussing Ripple. He's an attorney. He said that he believes there's going to be a settlement in the next 2 to 3 weeks. We are expecting a settlement in 2 to 3 weeks. Doesn't that match up? We're getting this discovery hearing, and obviously they're trying to fight for documents. They were thinking maybe if they get these documents, and that's why actually they agreed. That's why they agreed, and they said, we want the answer now. If Ripple wants the answer now, we want the answer now. If Ripple says delay it, then we'll delay it. They're going based on Ripple. This kind of makes me feel that, you know what? They're trying to settle with Ripple. They're trying to settle with Ripple. And again, like I said, the attorney said 2 to 3 weeks we should see a settlement. So that just rings so many bells. We see in the US Treasury join. Now the Feds are talking about they're trying to get a currency that they're not going to announce until June. All of this, guys. If we can get, thank you everybody that subscribed to my channel and everybody that's in the live stream. We are only 50 subscribers away. This is a huge milestone. If we can get 50 more people out of the 700 that are in the chat to subscribe, we would hit a crazy milestone. Appreciate it. SEC can read minds. I know, right? One of SEC's arguments were, you know what? Ripple was probably thinking. Ripple probably knew. How can you use what somebody was thinking in their head? Doesn't make sense. Why the flash crash after all this? Jim Wilkins said SEC would get the MOUs if it looks like it's in XRP still dipping, which is okay also. So right now it's dipping not because of the actual SEC. It's dipping not because of the SEC versus Ripple case. It's dipping because the whole market's crashing. Look at this guy. Is anything green? Anything green? Everything is in red, guys. Everything is in red. And this is why it's crashing. If everything was in green, you would see XRP booming right now. It's just there's so much pressure on it because of the other cryptocurrencies that are down. that it's now down as well. And I believe that this will all change once we'll see a settlement or an SEC versus Ripple win for Ripple. Then I believe it's going to, the impact of all the other cryptocurrencies being in red are going to impact it a lot less than what it is now. Alrighty, guys. Whoops. Today, oh my god. Woo! Today was an exciting day. Let's see. If everything becomes security will only be in the United States. Exactly. It will only be in the United States anyway, so it's not, everybody's like, oh, it's going to go to zero. It's going to go to zero. No, it won't. It won't go to zero. More XRP for me. XRP was declared security. No, it wasn't. What is people talking about right now? Speculations. Who won? There is no clear winner right now, but everybody's predicting right now XRP won based on the arguments. Even an attorney. So, all of that. Dun, 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 dun. 100 XRP. 100 XRP is enough for people who are starting out with nothing. Exactly. Something is better than nothing. Is the meeting over? Yes, it's complete, but a video will be made today. I'll be uploading a video today, and so make sure you guys subscribe. When will we hear the judgment? You'll hear it on Friday. Hello, Dusty Jr. What is everybody talking about? This is not Dusty. Love the ride. Exactly. No, but you know what? This is actually fine. It gives us all chances. If you guys want to feel on the dip, you can. If you don't want to feel on the dip, you can. Like, this is actually not bad. And again, this actually lets all the weak hands leave, and so we're going to have a lot less resistance. Anybody that bought below, at 50 cents and scared, sold now. Now, if they want to buy in, they're going to have to buy in on a few bucks, at $1, $1.50. And that way, overall, you lose the major resistance. When will the price rocket? I believe soon. I can't give you guys a time. But again, the whole cryptocurrency market is down right now. So, again. When will the price X mark the spot? What would be the limit for a stop order? That's based on anybody. I remember people bought in at 14 cents. I bought in at cheap. And so I wouldn't put a stop order anyways. Because it doesn't affect me. If we could get everybody that's in the live stream to hit that subscribe button, it would be amazing. When do we hear the outcome of the meeting? On Friday. I'm also going to be making a video about it, guys, today. What happened? Just got home. Okay, so what happened is the discovery hearing is now complete. Each person gave their points. And we'll be getting an announcement very soon. If you want to hear the points of everybody, and obviously you want to, get into more detail, then subscribe to my channel because I'll be releasing a video today. So the video will talk about each person's points. I'll also be telling you guys when the announcement is going to be released with the winner, all that stuff. So when do we find out the results? On Friday. Again, I'm going to be going over the exact time and date of when it's going to be released today in today's video. So again, that's why I'm saying if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you can find out. When will we sell again? One of the attorneys said 2 to 3 weeks. But again, hit that subscribe button, guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We only need 30 more people to hit 2.8K. And at the same time, guys, you guys will know exactly what's going on. All of this stuff I already mentioned in my videos. So again, if you're not in and you haven't joined the Geek Army, join it now by hitting that subscribe button, liking the stream, follow my Twitter, guys, and you can also join my Patreon where I put exclusive videos. But yeah, I hold 8% XRP, 20% other. What do you think about some other cryptocurrency? I don't even know. Alright guys, I'm probably going to end off the stream here. If you guys could definitely support the live stream by subscribing to my channel. I really want to hit 2.8K today. So if everybody could subscribe to my channel, only need 30 more subscribers, guys. Only need 30 more subscribers. 30 more subscribers, and we'll have hit a crazy milestone. If everybody could like the stream, subscribe to my channel. Comment your thoughts down below. Let's see. I'll wait, guys. 30 more subscribers. All right, and while we're doing that, let me answer a few more questions. Thank you, no problem, guys. Appreciate it. This is basically it for the live stream. Again, there will be a video coming out, so there's not too much detail that I can really talk to you guys. Is this the platform you're on, CryptoWatch? Like and been subscribed? Yeah, it's cryptowat.ch. I just become a subscriber. No problem, guys. Again, there's going to be a video today that's going to get released. So if you're not subscribed, put your post notifications on as well. Otherwise, YouTube won't even give you the notification. So put your post notifications on. Subscribe to my channel because, again, there's going to be a video today. And it's going to be a very important video. Have we heard which Friday? Not yet, but I'll be mentioning that in today's video. Oh my God. It's been an intense day, guys. It probably wasn't an intense day for you guys as well watching this. You know what? Let's try and hit 1.5k likes. There's only 60 likes, guys. We hit 1.5k. But it's been an intense day for me. I bet it's been an intense day for you. A lot of you guys have just came from work. I personally was live for, a few hours now. I'm going to probably go ahead and get a drink. Oh my God, guys. I'm freaking hot. But it's been a crazy day. A day that I believe is going to be very bullish. I definitely see XRP going up back, regaining all of its, price value. Probably hitting back to 150. I do believe, hopefully, if we see Bitcoin go back in price as well, it will help push XRP price. Like, look at this, guys. Bitcoin's at 65,000. It's now 35. Ethereum was at almost 4.3 thousand. It's at 2.2. Binance was at 600 to 300. All of these guys. Cardano was at 280. Boom, it's down. XRP was at $2. Down. So this is something normal, guys. Don't worry about the dips. Don't worry. Don't get panicked. Don't get scared. Something perfectly normal. I hold 100% XRP. That's amazing. I hear some excitement in your voice. I'm actually freaking excited. I'm not going to lie. Today was an amazing day. Drink some water. I know, guys. This is probably going to be the end of the video. If we can get 16 more subscribers, I'm going to drink some water. I know. Oh my God. My voice is gone. Have some pop. Appreciate that, Crystal. But yeah. Appreciate everybody that's in the stream. I know my voice is kind of gone. But again, it was an amazing day. I appreciate and love everybody that's in. When will it go back to $1.50? I believe once we get... Yo, a spike! 129! 120! Did it? Oh, yo! Oh my God, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I wish I took a screenshot. You know what? Maybe I can show you guys that. For a second, it hit 130. Did anybody see that? Oh my God, yo. I wish I can go back. Did anybody see that? That 130 for like a second. Let me see if I can refine that. But, oh my God. For a second, it hit 130, guys. It was kind of like a little bit of a shocker here. But, again, whales are buying into this, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if, again, I believe it's going to hit $1.50. And maybe once all the news comes out, like once we get the article news that says we won, that says there is a win. Peter says I missed it. Yeah. It literally hit $1.30. It literally hit it. But again, this shows you that whales are buying in. Whales are buying in, people. You remember, if whales buy in, it means something good. It means the whales believe that they're going to get a major increase in their investment. So we do believe it as well. Again, I'm really excited. I'm very bullish. Let's get all you guys, if you aren't subscribed to the army, subscribe. All we need, guys, is like 15 more subscribers. If you aren't subscribed to the Geek Army, because now we are Geek Army, hit that subscribe button. Saw it. Harvard saw it. Yeah, Harvard saw it. Again, it's freaking exciting. I wish I could have screenshotted it. Voice going and eyes down. I know, guys. Oh, my voice is gone. I can barely even look. What is this? It will dump to 80? I don't believe so. Alright, guys, 7 more subs. Oh my god, this is freaking exciting. Let's see this. Alright, almost 2.8k, guys. Almost 2.8k. One more guy. One more subscriber, boys. Let's get the whole army subscribing. Let's get everybody subscribing. Hitting that subscribe button. Again, follow my Twitter. Like the stream. I don't want to get too repetitive, guys. So I'm probably going to have to end off the stream very shortly. Again, I try to live stream. Do you guys want me, let's ask you guys a question. Do you guys want me to live stream a lot more often? Type yes in the, type less in the chat. Or, yeah, type yes in the chat if you'd like. Type yes in the chat and we'll stick to live stream a lot more often. I'm pretty much going to end off the stream here. If you guys did like the stream, I definitely appreciate it. Love you guys so much for tuning into the stream. Again, it was a fantastic stream. Very bullish on XRP. Very bullish on, XRP winning the lawsuit or settling. Nonetheless, guys, I hope you did enjoy this freaking amazing live stream. Have a wonderful day.